3 and a 4. Good Lord. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me get my YouTube channel set up and we'll be rolling. Literally. I'll be walking on the treadmill. We're going to be making some call outs this morning. Sell stop, NAS and SPX. Play any sell stop you can find. 3 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute to the 30-minute blue lines. To the 1 hour blue lines. I'll check it closer though. I believe you already made your money on many of those trades. Good Lord. 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is the 19th. Woohoo. All right, let's see what we got this morning. All right, first of all, let's get to walking. These shoes were made for walking. Walking all over you. Da, 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 da. Good morning, everybody. Anybody here this morning? Kind of bright and early. Yeah, we're a little later than usual. It's 6:15 Eastern Standard Time. Ah, Mr. C. Look at you go, Mr. C. Live on both TikTok and YouTube. Good for you. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Rico and Guyberger. Let's take a look, shall we? Sell NAS and SPX. Let's see where they're at. And let's see who called that. Demo only, of course. 30-minute buy stops. Buys demo, then look for. Okay. US 30 was supposed to go to its 30-minute blue line. Absolutely hit its 30-minute blue line. Plenty sell US 30 to its 1 hour blue line also. Oh, that's NAS, sorry. Let's go to US 30, that would help. Oh yeah, perfect. There you go. Black and white, baby. 30-minute buy stops. Yep, that happened. GBP JPY happened. We're going to look at that. You can get in again. At open, NAS SPX buys. That happened. Then look for US 30, 30-minute sell right here to the blue line. Hit it. Wow, that's pretty good. NAS SPX to the 1 hour. So let's take a look. Yep. Heading there now. Beautiful. Wow. Pretty accurate. And then we're going to look for the 4 hour, which is turning into a 7 hour. I'll have to change that. Nice. Wow. Does it get better than being 100% accurate in the call outs in black and white? Look at that beautiful movement down. Holy shit. That would have netted you about 700 pips. Holy shit. And a 2 and a 3 and a 4. That's crazy good. Good morning. Blessed morning to you, Orlando. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics, Jacob. Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We're just getting started, reviewing the trades called out in black and white here. Let me clear off a few things. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Let's see, what are we going to be going over today? Today's date, 11/19/2024. We'll be going over Bitcoin-Eth-Xrp and ETH. Good Lord. Da 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 da. We'll be looking for some fast demo money. I've already called out US 30, NAS, and SPX. NAS and SPX, medium term, play any sell stop towards their 1 hour blue lines as called out yesterday. All right. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Oh, Lord. Here we go. Good Lord. All right, let's make some call outs here. Let's go. Yeah, I'd play any. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Three minutes. Okay. Let me see if I can erase certain things right here. Oh, nope. Need that. All right. We'll come back to that. I'll fill this in for you. Yeah. Play any sell stop you can find for NAS, SPX, and US 30. Short term, 1 second till the 1 hour blue lines are hit or come close to for NAS and SPX. The NAS calls I made and SPX calls I made at open when I told you when I first came live are all in the money. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. I'll leave these open. And a 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. Good Lord. I'm letting a 2 NASs run. Going to keep them open for a minute anyways. We'll see how it rolls. Good morning, Jared. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right, let's get going. Gold. Ooh, that looks nice. Looks a little too late, though. Yep, 1 second, 5 second. Buy stop, 1 second, 5 second, 10 second gold. It's a little late, but so what? 1 minute buy. 1 minute, 3 minute buy gold. Oh, there you go. There you go. Planning buy stop on gold until you see it hit. Let's see. Or get super, super close to its 30 minute blue line. Yeah, hit the 1 hour. Nice. Ricochet 2 hour. Ricochet 1 hour. No. 2 hour. 2 hour, 3 hour. 2 hour sell stop gold to the 2 hour blue line. Ricochet. 4 hour sell stop gold. The daily. Have we reset yet? Oh, it's very close. Buy stop gold. The one I like best of all. Follow it down as it goes down. Oh, I can't see shit. Hold on. Yeah. Buy stop gold. 2,658, 2,656, 2,650. Buy stop gold. Daily. Weekly. Still not low enough. I'm going to be patient. All right, let's go over to oil. We kicked ass on oil the other day, last few days. Oh. 1 second buy stop to the blue line. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop to the 30 second blue line. US, UK oil, 3 minute sell stop to the 3 minute blue line. Love the buys. 15 minute buy stop to the blue line, US, UK oil. 30 minute buy stop. Play any 1 second through 30 minute buy stop to the 30 minute blue line. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. 4 hour sell stop. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. US oil. Nothing would make me happier than being wrong on the monthly buy stop US oil. When it goes up, it'll go past $90 a barrel, 92. Pray I'm wrong. We don't need any more nothings. All right. EUR USD. Let's roll. 1 second. Too late. 5 seconds. Where's she rolling to? EUR USD. EUR USD. EUR USD. 3 minute sell. 3 minute, 5 minute sell. What's it forming up here? Aha. 30 minute buy. Hold on. Damn. Nope. Hour. 2 hour sell. So 3 hour sell stop. Kind of already in the middle of that one though. Still have time with it. 4 hour, 7 hour sell stop, EUR USD. Play any 5 minute through 7 hour sells. Three-week sell. Monthly sell. Again, calling it for down here, but it's going to take forever. We'll play it back and forth. GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. Play any sell. I can't say it. All right, fine, I'll say it. Play any sell stops 5 minute through 4 hour to the blue line. GBP, JPY. 7 hour buy. 12 hour buy. Forming a 12-hour daily buy. Forming a weekly buy. Good Lord. All right, let's go at it. GBP, JPY. Already below. 3 minute sell. I just don't like calling GBP, JPY sells. It is a 3 minute sell. It is a 4 hour sell. It is a 7 hour sell. I would just be patient and take these daily, weekly buys. That's all. But you guys trade the way you want to. You're grown-ass adults. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Random Neil and Orlando and Mr. C on TikTok and YouTube. Odd USD. 30-minute buy. I'm telling you, play those sells. Play those sells. Sell called first thing going live. NAS. Matter of fact, I'm good on this one. Good Lord. I'm going to keep that one NAS open. I had some SPXs open too, just a couple small ones. I'm good. I'm going to keep this one NAS rolling. All right, where were we? AUD, USD. Let's roll. 1 second. Good Lord. And a do to the D. Sell. 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute to the 3 minute blue line. Play any AUD, USD sells. 5 minute. 10 minute. 30 minute buy to the 10 minute blue line. Love the trade. AUD, USD. Good Lord. What's a 2 to the 3 to the 4? AUD, USD. Nada. Nada. Daily buy. 3 week monthly sell. Buy 3 month. That's a long term. I mean, it's really almost no sense of calling it. USD CAD. USD CAD. 1 second, nothing. Yeah, buy stop. 1 second, 5 second to the 5 second blue line. USD CAD. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Oh Lord. Let's get down to business. All right. They're in great money. It keeps going down as called out by me multiple times. Keep playing those sells on NAS and SPX. Nice little morning. Different size accounts, different size trades. Good Lord. All right, USD CAD. Let's roll. Sell. Gonna be to the 3 to the 4. 10-minute sell stop to the blue line, USD CAD. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. 2 hour, 4 hour buy stop, USD CAD. Love it. And my daily, yep, did perfect. Weekly, yep, doing perfect as called out, by the way. Yeah, that's it on that one. Nothing exciting. Then none of these are, XRP. We're going to hold XRP, even though it's a 30-minute buy. It's a 1 hour buy. All right, I'm not holding it. 1 hour buy stop, XRP. I'll come back to that in detail, though. Ethereum. Ethereum. 2 hour buy. 3 hour buy. 4 hour buy. 4 hour, yep. 4 hour, 7 hour buy stop, Ethereum. Bitcoin. Woo! Let's find us some money here. No, I'll come back to all three of these in huge detail in just a minute. 30-minute. 15-minute. Come on now, really? Damn. What the? 3-minute buy stop Bitcoin. Amazon. Oh, look at a little Amazon tank. Let's see where it's going to. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. Amazon. When it opens, 5-second, 10-second, 15-second buy stop to the blue line. 30-second buy to the blue line. Where is she rolling on this down, though? What's going on? Amazon. Ooh, nice. Play any 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line of Amazon. I usually never call a sell on Amazon because ultimately it's the buys, baby. 7-hour buy stop. Forming, that's what it's doing right now. It's forming a daily buy. Be a little patient. I wouldn't play the sells if you want, but I would just let this pink line come down all the way and a blue line come across on Amazon, then look for the buys. Good Lord. Costco. Four-hour daily buy stop forming. Costco. 924, 921, 928 buy stop. Costco. Apple. It's funny. I never used to look at the stocks. Now it's so much fun. Buy. Apple, buy. Demo buy stop only. Yeah, like it. Google. Yeah, you made so much money, forget about it. Hilton. And Google is called out by our signal service. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Nathan. Good morning, Grant. I can't see the names. Yeah, there you go. Hilton. Yeah, again, I called that. You should have made lots of money on the buy. I'm done. Nothing going on there. JPB, so daily. Nice. Dip. Daily, weekly buy. JP225. McDonald's. Good Lord. Oh, buy. Move your buy line down as it goes down. Rule number 7. Love the trade. Yeah, let it keep going down. Follow it. Good Lord. Oh, yeah. Hopefully we get McDonald's to come all the way. It needs to come all the way back down here. We'll know when it's appropriate, when this green separates from this yellow on the bullshit detector. Oh, yeah, this is going to be a beautiful buy. It's going to take a couple weeks, but it'll be there. Wait, be patient on McDonald's. None of you have patience, but a few of you do. Microsoft. Daily buy, weekly buy, Microsoft. Netflix. Yeah, keep telling me how shitty it is as it keeps going up. And it keeps going up because there's a 3-week buy stop right here. Plain as day. Hello. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. NVIDIA. Doesn't NVIDIA have earnings or something coming out? Really? If you guys can't play NVIDIA right, I'm just shaking my head. Schwab. Oh, gee. Schwab went up. What do you know? The daily, 12-hour, daily, weekly buy stop on Schwab is in huge money. You see it up. See where the call was made. Pink crossing the blue. Up she goes on the weekly. Silver. I think we're getting into some silver territory here. Not yet. Yeah. Daily buy. Silver. It's almost. Do you want to take it? You can take the daily buy. Feel free. Not arguing. It's a daily buy. If you wanted to, though, I would do this. I would wait a little longer. Let the weekly come down here. And we'll ride silver on the way up again. We called silver on 8.5. I did. Good Lord. UK. Daily, weekly buy stop. UK 100. Copper. I don't even know why I keep copper. Daily. Someone must have asked me about copper one time. Yeah, it's going to go up. Buy stop copper, but it's probably going to do a good tip first. I don't like copper. I don't even know why I have it. If you want me to call it, I will. Otherwise, how do I get rid of that thing? There we go. Tesla. Much like NVIDIA, if you can't make money with Tesla, I don't know what to tell you. Look for any buy stops on Tesla you can find. AMD. I love this one, did I not? 3-week buy. Weekly buy. Oh, yeah. Let it keep going down. Keep following AMD down. Buy stop, AMD. Gorgeous buy. DE 40. It used to be German 40. I don't know what the fuck happened. Yeah, I'm good on that. You need the pink to come down. Meta. Again, another one I don't like. I'm not trading that. GBP USD. Weekly forming. Daily buy. 3-week. Another one I'd wait for this purple to come down a little bit more. You're going to force my hand. Yeah, buy stop. 1.27504. Buy stop. 1.28086. Buy stop. 1.28377. GBP USD. Good Lord. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. That's about 27 minutes of cardio. I'll take it. Nice, slow, steady state. Good Lord. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. All right, it's time to bring out the Donny Osmond. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Good morning, Harry Black. Good morning, Nathan. Good morning, Erica. To defeat the Huns. All right, I'm seated. You know shit gets real when I'm seated.
I am not a financial advisor. Demo trade only.
All right, let's take a look, shall we? Good morning, Super Cyclist. Good morning, Random Neil, Orlando Walters, Mr. C on TikTok. Let's take a clear look at XRP, shall we? Let's do a deep dive into XRP. Although I can tell you right now, 30, well, let me see if it's a 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop XRP. So that should just, but we're going to go real deep into XRP, real deep into Ethereum and Bitcoin and any other ones you guys like as far as the, look at my call outs. How fucking fantastic are these? As far as the cryptos go, you can start writing in. I'll look at any crypto for you. Good morning, Matt Parker. Good morning, sir. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Let's get down to business. We already made really good money on NAS and SPX sells. I can check those again too while we're at it. Let's get down to business. 1 second buy stop to the blue line. You're going to see this pink rise. You're going to see price action go US 30. It's going to go up and touch it. There you go. And there it is. There's your touchdown right there. You see that pink finish? And there's price. There you go. You're welcome. And that's too quick. I know. Well, what the fuck? I didn't say it was easy, did I? To defeat the Huns. Let's get down. Oh, this is great. That was an easy call. Let me go to 5 seconds now. Let's get down to business. Oh, yeah. Play any 1 second, 5 second buy stops in US 30 towards its 5 second blue line. Oh, yeah. SPX, second place, baby. Let's get down to business. Oh, yeah. Play any 1 second, 5 second buy stop to the 10 second blue line of NAS. That goes for US 32, by the way. Let's get down to business. To what? To defeat BlackRock and Vanguard. SPX. They're a sorry lot. A bunch of silly people. Yeah, that's what I'm calling. Gorgeous. Want to watch it go to the 10 second? There you go. You can see this pink line hook come down. Price will follow. Then it's going to hook and come up, and you'll see the completion to the blue line right here. 10 second. I don't know if there's any news this morning. It's not for a couple hours. If there is, let's have some fun. See? There's the pull down, like I said. Buy stop. Whatever the fuck this is. 20,504. Buy as it falls, follow it down. 20,502. Buy stop. Then this, oh, that's why purple's hooking down with it. Then you're going to see them cross. After they cross, maybe even before, because 10 seconds super fast, you'll see it. Yeah, you'll see it go up and then touch. Close enough, horseshoes and hand grenades. 10 second buy to NAS's blue line is perfection. All right, hopefully that'll get your attention so that when we come back to haven't got a clue. Buy stop. Play any 1 second, 5 second buy stops towards the 10 second blue line of SPX. Let's get down to business. Yep, there you go. See that? See that little cross right there? Filling the gap right there. There's touchdown. There's official touchdown. Yay. TD. And then see the cross. See it go up to the blue line. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken dinner. We have another winner. Love these trades. Easy peasy. Let me see what the scanner shows. Yeah. Let me see US 30 now. US 30 going to its blue line. Let's, play any 1 second, 5 second buy stop. You see the same thing. Pink cross the blue. Green's going to fill in this gap and price is going to go up. Let's get down to business. To defeat the Huns. We're playing 1 second, 5 second buys. If anyone else would like to join me on the 1 second charts and start trading with me or against me, I guess the case would be, let me know, okay? In the meantime, making sense out of 1 second charts. Beautiful trade. Thank you, guys. You're welcome. Let's get down to business. Yeah, these are easy peasy. All right, next. Did I ever think in a million years I'd be trading 1 second, 5 second charts on the regular? Nope. Our prayer this morning. Thank you, God, for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual and close with you. Thank you for another day of, and I always thank him for everything. I thank him for my beautiful wife being in my life. I thank him for just everything. I give him credit for every breath I have. I am yet, maybe you guys don't think so, but I am just a humble servant. I have no ego in this. I just want to do God's will, which is hopefully getting you all. There you go. Told you. To be able to be retired. I'm trying to sum up what I want to do in just a few sentences, and I think that's it. Ricochet, by the way, we missed back to the blue line on NAS. It just happened. You're a sorry bunch. Gonna get you to play any 1 second, 5 second to the 10-second blue line of SPX. Now, the next thing I do after I pray, hopefully all realize that I am very authentic. I am that you want to be consistently profitable traders. Hell, I think I want to retire, or at least be able to retire. Speaking of which, we'll get to that in a second. We have a few people. We do have options. I don't care about that. All right, let's roll. Next. With a sorry bunch of crew. Oh, shit. TikTok went down. Hold on. Oh, inactivity. They're so funny. Yeah, you guys weren't talking on there. So let's make why it wasn't an hour. When did they pull that shit? Like 30 minutes? They're funny. Sometimes they say it's inactive after 30 minutes. Most times it's after an hour or two. We're back up on TikTok. That is funny. Wow, that was sucky. Thank you so much, Mr. C, for telling me that. Appreciate you, as you well know. Mr. C, did you get your YouTube award? I wonder if he did. I don't remember. Well, it was awesome. Catch small time frames. You like that, don't you, George? See, the George, they're real easy to play and real easy to learn from. One of our members actually likes the 5 seconds better than he does the daily weeklies. I'm like, well, okay. Shit. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. Oh, well. Good morning, Super Cyclist and Iron Lion 12. Good morning, Nathan. Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. We had a good number of people. I think we're like 19 or 22 people on TikTok. Oh, well. It's all good. I'm in a better mood this morning. I got some sleep. All right. We are the only safety trade system. We are the only trading system in the world that has the United States of America. Look at it. For all the little haters out there, read and weep. We're the only ones. This isn't applied for. This is given. This is signed, sealed. See the seal? That's where the saying comes from. Signed, sealed, and delivered to me and my wife. We're the only ones with any trademark. We have it for Class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading and building generational wealth through Forex trading and a whole bunch of other things. And some people think, oh, it's just a trademark, la, la, la. Okay, and I have about a dozen or more patent pendings, which are legally enforceable in all my indicators. Try that, haters. Not only do I have patent pendings, but I also have a NDA protected program. Not only that, please type yes if you understand those things. Not only that, I am not a financial advisor, never claim to be, never want to be, never will be. You guys are adults. You can make your own decisions. Trade demo only. Go to my store and buy something. It's fucking cool merchandise, and you should be proud to wear it. I can't believe I really did have to write this, by the way. You're an adult. Make your own decisions. I had damn in there. Make your own damn decisions. Ugh. All right. We only trade the green arrow and up arrow and the red down arrow. Please type yes if you understand those things. George, I do like it. That's right. And this isn't an opinion. This is a fact. They did a study. 99% of support and resistance fails you 99% of the time. This isn't an opinion. This is a fact. Over 99% of the time, volume and VWAP fails you. Bollinger Bands fails you. Look to the left fails you. Candle patterns are the biggest joke ever. Well, next to the fib retracement. They're 1 and 2 somewhere in there. Fibonacci retracements fail you over 99%. Please type out the word yes. Oh, good. You did get it, Miss C. All right. Also, we're not done yet. I get you, George. I understand that philosophy. Yay, he got his award. It is pretty cool. I don't know. It's simple but cool. All right. Thank you, Mr. C. I appreciate that. And I appreciate you being here day in and day out, Mr. C. Good fella. And Larry Cooper. Was Larry Cooper on my list? He needs to be if he wasn't. But don't take my word for it. Go ahead and argue with Dave Ramsey. He's the one who's quoted here in this article. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Dave Ramsey. I'm going to up Dave Ramsey one. I'm going to say less than 99.9% of day traders are actually profitable. And I'm going to make that 99.99999%. Bullshit. I call bullshit anyone that's trading out there that's consistently trading every day like I do, and they're successful. I don't believe it for 1 second. You have to have my system to be consistently profitable. So if all those things fail and all those things let you down 99% of the time, it's a 14-year study. This isn't playtime. Speaking of which, where the fuck is that stupid ass? Who's that guy? Head and Shoulders. Head and hold on. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Support resistance, including, because some moron, I can't say anything. Head and Shoulders. I have to be specific with people, evidently. Head and Shoulders has an 80. No, it doesn't. Nothing has an 83 or 80. None of these old ways of trading. All I can tell you is we've been taught the wrong way to trade. So what's the right way to trade? Well, my only goal is to get you retired. List of retired or could be retired if they wanted to, the Safety Trade System members. Kimberly Harrington, Mr. Gold, Big D, Peter, Boosh, Josh, Tommy, Jay. And that's not even the beginning of them. Matter of fact, Josh was maybe going to join us this morning. We didn't hear back from him, so we'll try to line him up next week. 2 members were homeless. If you've never heard Billy's story, go to YouTube, type in Billy story, the safety trade, and you'll come up. It's so inspirational. He's the one that was living out of his car, having to trade after hours using library, computer, internet, because he didn't have any money. He took $50. He only had $50 to trade, and he traded it up to thousands and got his own place. One member was an atheist, is now saved. So let me give you a hint. Those aren't options. Those are facts. So type yes if you understand. People are retiring from using the system or can retire. And again, if you do something long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. But I'm going to move that down here. Because here's another fact. So far, tier 3 signals, weekly, daily, are 18 and 0. Are 18 and 0. 0 losses, 18 wins off a signal service that follows the rules that I teach you every day. Also, the almost holy grail trades. These are market order entries. You have to follow no rules. You could take the order right when it happens. Demo only, of course. 4 and 0. So we're 22 and 0 on our signal service. If you would have invested 0.01, you'd have made $4,600 just on, not including Bitcoin, 21,800, not including. So this is an option. This isn't maybe or could be's. These are facts. Please type out yes if you understand. Good morning, Linda. Sorry, I'm in the middle of my usual thing here. Good morning, Linda Brown. Please type out yes if you understand for a fact the signal service has. It will lose. Don't get me wrong. I think it'll lose. I'm assuming it'll lose. I'm guessing it'll lose eventually. Maybe not. But right now it's 22 and 0 on just those. Okay. Here are your pictures for that in case you needed them. This is the 18 trades that were called my tier 3 weekly dailies. This is the date they were called. All of these are up since then. If you would have invested just a 0.01 in the indices from July, by the way, you'd have $13,500. I'll make this much more official and get it on a typed spreadsheet and all that, but I was just doing this on a live. Can you imagine? So this is only the indices. This isn't including ERUSD, Ethereum. It isn't including Bitcoin, up over $38,000 on Bitcoin. It's not including that. I'm just saying if you went into SPX, NAS, and US 30, you'd be up $13,500. I'm not including 300 pips on USD CAD. I'm not including 600 pips on GBP USD. I'm not including any GBP JPY 600 pips. I'm not including any of that. I'm saying if you'd have took NAS, SPX, and US30, a 0.01 trade, lot size, smallest you can do, smallest you can do on MetaTrader 5, it's $13,500 you would have had with no losses. So this is a fact. You can't say it's not. Here's the trades. You can go to my video and watch the video. Here's the trade. Another fact, just so we're all on the same page. This one right here is the tier almost holy grail trades, demo only, of course. Gold, $152 an ounce. Are you kidding me? You could have been retired off that. Bitcoin from October 27th. It's probably way up past this, actually. $21,800. GBP JPY, play any 30-minute buy stop. Matter of fact, we're going to go look at that. If you'd have put a 0.01 on just US30, you would have been up 4,600 pips, not including Bitcoin. If you were, it'd be over 23,000 plus the 4,000. I'm just saying. Everyone says, oh, well, those are your results. This isn't optional. There isn't anything to argue with. There isn't anything to hate with. You can hate and pretend like you want to. Go ahead and try to hate. Think about it again, though, and realize these are facts. These are 100% documented trades. I'm sorry, I feel bad for the haters who say, there's nothing to hate. Just open up your heart and start to love the fact that this system is fucking incredible. Okay, someone said check SPX. Oh my, good Lord. What do you want me to check? I see nothing out of the ordinary here. Good Lord. Oh my. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. If you want me to look at that. What do you want me to do? 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop. Sorry. 1 second buy to the blue line. 1 5-second buy to the blue line. 1 second, 5-second buy stop to the 10-second blue line. Oh, Lord. Good Lord. Yeah, 10-second blue line is hit. The 10-second buy stop is hit to the blue line of NAS. I'm confused of what George, what are you asking me to check? It did exactly like I said it would do. Just because it goes down for a little bit doesn't mean that it's not going to go right back up and complete the movement. What the fuck? It's like beginner 101, George. I'm pretty sure he's not trying to say something like that. Okay, so anywho, let's go over to XRP. I think we're all done with we're all done with that. We'll come over to XRP and come back to that. All right. GBB. Oh, I thought it was GPB. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good Lord. All right, we're going to go a deep dive into XRP, but let me be clear on something. XRP is a 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour buy stop XRP. I've already called it out 3 times. First time was a free signal to our members. Over 2,200 different people received this message, whether it was through the Discord or whether it was through email. We're at record numbers for email. We're at record numbers for collections. For the last 4 weeks, we're at record number of helping people. There's record number of signups on YouTube, record number of people in our email service, record amendment. I mean, it's unbelievable the blessings God blessed us with. It's growing. And by the way, we've never advertised. If you say this is advertising, I tell you this is just what I do. I've never advertised that I'm on a live or I'm doing never. George, you never explained yourself. What did you want me to check for SPX? I mean, I read it again for you. What do you want me to do? All right. 1 hour buy stop. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. $1.1060 buy stop XRP, and I'll explain how we get to it. 1.1085. One. Come on now. Why are you doing that? Good Lord. Oh Lord. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. All right. Touchdown US 35-minute blue light. Thank you, Kev. Oh, nice that it's going up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was confused. US 35-minute. Let's take a look at US 30. Good Lord. Um, 5-minute? 5-second? I'm confused again. Oh, 5-second. Okay. Woo! You were losing me there for a second. I didn't know what was going on. All right, let's go back to XRP. Where were we? Oh, so XRP, 1 hour buy stop. I was calling out some buy stops for you.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love this XRP trade. Love this XRP trade. Love this XRP trade. It's almost ready to pop. Purple's gonna come down towards the pink. They're gonna separate. This is gonna fill in the gap on the 4 hour. Price action will go above $1.26 when this occurs. When this is finished, price action will be $1.26. XRP, love this buy stop. Been calling for this buy since 31 cents. Keep taking them, peeps. All right, it is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Let's flip something on, though. Let's see what we can see. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Good Lord. We're going to be coming out with a safe trade system crypto edition. It's going to have the indicators and a few things tweaked and built in. It's going to come with the sniper rifle and the sniper Gatling gun automatically. Yeah, there's going to be a little tweaks to the code. You're going to get the weekly, the WD30 trades, which we're going to be testing right now. You'll be getting that also included. It's nothing for current members. I wouldn't recommend it for current members. I would recommend it for everybody that's into crypto, though, and only wants to trade crypto. That's what I would look at it as. It's going to be pretty pricey. It's going to be about $850 or so. And it's going to come with built-in signals right on your chart. So it'd be like tier 3-ish, but you won't get all the other signals. It's only going to be for crypto. All right. Now back to the task at hand. Good Lord. XRP. Where's their next stop? I wrote. All right. Let's be XRPing their next stop. I already told you it's going to go up past the dollar thingy, but let's keep on rolling. $1.42. So $1.50. Then $1.73, and then $2. And I'll have to see when it gets to $2 where it's at on its 3-month. Look at this gorgeous movement. Oh, this is so fucking good. Last time I did it went from 19 cents to $2. No, I see this going up way past $2. I'll tell you, as this rises, if it gets past the 50 mark and we're still below the $2, it'll mean one thing. If we go up to the 55% of this on the sniper down here and we're above it, that means a whole nother. I have a feeling we're going to make the 50%, probably 40%, and we're going to be above $2. If that's the case, then I'll be calling over $4. XRP over $4 is probably going to be its next stop. I confirm that up, though, once it reaches its 50. So in other words, we need 3 month, 3 month, 3 month. This could take a long time. Yeah, we have to see when it's right here. About 90%. We'll see. But I mean, the norm is $1.35. It'll be past that. And then that $2 mark. So that's where the next stops for XRP is. All right. If anybody has any actual ones they want me to check, let me know. XRP, 1 second. Buy stop to the, there it is. I couldn't even get it out of my mouth. To the 30-second blue line, XRP. Play any buy stop to the 1 minute blue line of XRP. Any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second. Yes, I'm calling out 1 second. Some people I get some, you're not trading the 1 second. That's impossible. Yeah, nope, we're trading the 1 second charts. And then when this little trade is done, you'll see it go up to its towards its 1 minute blue line. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's just going to pull back. You're going to see this pink line hook come down like this. You'll see the blue line hold. Then you'll see this, hopefully, I don't know on one, but hopefully come down like this. Price will come down like that, and then it will hook, and then it will come back up. You'll see this gap form right here. You'll see this pink line come down right there. If we can get all that, then it's a buy stop. 1 second, see it come down. See it. See the pink line hooking down, and then you're going to see that hook down. Buy stop XRP 1 second to the 5 second. Fill in the gap. There you go. 10 second, 15 second to the 30-second blue line. Look, see it? A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. See it pull down, then it's going to come down, and then it's going to hook and come back up again. There it is. Pink and purple are coming down, not low enough yet. You can put your buy stop right here. See them coming down right there? Watch. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Oh, yeah. Buy stop right on the orange line. 1 second. There's the fill in the gap. I told you what happened. Sometimes these 1 seconders are just fast. Like they don't follow. Now we're down low enough. You'll see eventually you're going to see the pink cross the purple. When it does, it'll be another buy for you, or you could just be sitting right here and waiting, either or. There's the gap I told you would form, and there it is. Let's see if the blue is going to drop with it now. So now the blue, it's going to be like, with the pink's going to cross the blue. That'll be your entry sign. This is going to turn to red now. Yeah, see, it's red. Now it's not just a gap. This is a full-on buy stop. Buy stop 1 second to the 1 minute blue line of XRP. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. 1 second, 5 second buy stop. Fill in the gap, 10-second buy stop. 15-second buy stop. Back to the 30-second blue line ricochet buy stop. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. You're going to see these separate. You'll see the pink come down, probably the purple come down. We're on the 30-second XRP. You'll see these, you see price come down right here. Buy right here. Buy 1.1049. And then just wait. Wait for this to hook and come back up. You're going to see price action come back up. It's not enough. I'd like this to come down further. It's not enough filling the gap, but it is 30 seconds. There's not much we can do right here. And then this will form a logo, actually, as long as this blue line stays high. And then we're going to see price action come up. Again, I'd like this to be down to the bottom, though. A little further pullback would be real nice. Come on. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. Wow, is this even fucking moving? The 1 second buy obviously made money. It's a 5 second buy. 10 second buy stop. See, there you go. There's that further down movement I wanted. Now we're getting almost to the point of where it needs to be. Buy stop XRP 1.1048. Ricochet to the 30-second blue line. Then you'll see the more of a gap right here. Told you. Now we hope this line stays straight up here on the blue. Let's not get crazy. We'll come back to it. All right, Harjit. I just got her. Did you call the NAS on 15-minute or 5-minute, or shall I go back and watch? NAS. Shit. We called NAS a lot. Let me see. NAS. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. I'm going to go ahead and say those buys paid off handsomely for you. To the 1 minute. Yep. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line NAS. Oh, yeah. Play any buy stops you can find on US 30 NAS and SPX. 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second to SPX's 1 minute blue line. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. Same buy stop. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second to the 15 second blue line of US 30. Oh, Lord. What else is he asking? Off the 15 minute or 5 minute. Well, you can trade it off the red right here. Yeah. 5 minute sell US 30. It's already hit its as called out yesterday, it already hit its 1 hour. No. Hold on. 30 minute. It hit its 30-minute blue line. Long term, we're playing SPX and NAS. Hold on, US 30. Yeah. See, US 30 is going to arch up, ricochet, come back down to the 30-minute blue line. So these plays going up are the ricochet on the 30-minute. Who asked that question? Jeet. So right now it hit the blue line, right? Like I called out yesterday. Then look for the US 30-minute, right, to the blue line. It's going to arch up, ricochet somewhere around in here, and then it's going to come back and touch its blue line again. That's just going to, you want me to draw this out for you? Some of you don't understand. Watch. It goes like this. It's going to come down. It's going to ricochet up to here like this, hook, and come back down again. That's US 30. You can play the up right now. You can play the down. Or you can let all this horse shit go away and play the basically 12-hour buys on all three indices. But anywho, that's what I would be looking for. Harjit. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, Ryan Marcus, Iron Lion, and Super Cyclist. George Strait. Can you check the GJ 15-minute time frames? Could have sworn I already did GJ, but I'm in a generous mood this morning. I'll do it again. GPB, JPY. 15-minute time frames. There's nothing to see here. There's no call to make a 15-minute. To fill in the gap, which means probably like a 5-minute sell. 5-minute sell, 10-minute, 5-minute sell, 15-minute fill in the gap. 30-minute, nothing. 1 hour, you're too late. Hit the 2-hour blue line. Hit the 3. Did I not just call that this morning? Yeah, play any sell stop on GBB, JPY until the 4-hour blue line is hit or it gets closer. It's just arching up, doing the ricochet like I just showed you with the other one. I don't like calling these sells, though, on GBB, JPY. I just don't. Buy stop. Love this buy stop, GBB, JPY. 194.850. 194.923. Just love this buy stop. That's how I would look at it, but you can play it any which way you want. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, John Parker. Great trade yesterday. Are your pre-market open trades? Or after hours, I should say. Whatever they were in Discord, $1,000. Congratulations, John. Does anybody else want me to check anything before I get back to XRP? Trying to do a deep dive on XRP to help you all. 1 hour buy stop. Let me be clear. My monthly buy stop was when it was at 48 cents. I've been calling XRP a buy since it was 31 cents. I'm telling you, buy 1 hour XRP. Don't say I didn't tell you. Now, let's go hunting for something. I do want to check something out. We have a new little toy. We have a little toy. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, let me see something. We're going to make this weekly. Uh-oh. Our new little toy might not be functioning right. Why is it not pulling up these trades? Hold on. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 3 month, 1 month, 3 week, and weekly. Yeah, they're all set. Wow, this is going to be a game changer for a lot of you guys. We just have to get it to work. Yeah, that's not right. This is a clear buy stop right here. Interesting. Oh yeah, this has got to be 100 of them. Some bitch. Hold on. Our little new toy. Keith, where's our new toy? Keith. Poor Keith. Every time I can't get something to go, I whine. All right, screw this. Let's go back. I'm going to go back to the other versions. $30-minute only. 11.6 weekly, daily, 30-minute gaps. Sure. Oh, yeah. Hell, it isn't firing, Keith. What the hell, Keith? Look at all those buys, though, on the other one. Yeah, I must have did something. Keith never's wrong. Weekly, daily. Let me see if these settings wouldn't have to do with anything. No. Oh, I can't show you the new toy. Oh, so much for the new toy. It's not functioning. Oh, it is functioning. No, it isn't. Fuck. No, it's not functioning. Damn. Oh, you guys are going to be excited about this one. We'll have to do. He tweaked something right at the end. I wonder if it was something then. Keith. Let's put this down. Keith. New WD30. Not working. I'm sure it's something real little. It was working really cool last night. Oh, well. NAS buy stops with the scanner. Nice, John. Easy money when you trade with scanner. I agree with you, John. Good morning, Mike Jones, 808. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Annie Apple. Pappy Donor. Good morning, Zach. NR Jafar. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Damn. I wanted to show you our new little toy. It's fun for girls and boys. It's a toy. It's a toy. All right, let's go on back. We're actually looking very closely at XRP. We've already called out Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. We're going to go right back to XRP. 1 hour buy stop, XRP, just so we're clear. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. If you don't know what a buy stop is, it's a future pending order. If you don't know what it looks like, I'm going to teach you what it is right now. Everybody new, everybody's been here for a minute. I'm going to go over exactly how to trade. And if really, it shouldn't take that long at all, but I'll show you. And if it does take a little bit, that's okay. All right. Always have two charts open when you're trading. This is the 1 hour, so we're going to need at least the 4 hour over here. Correct. There you go. All right. So on our left, we have 4 hour XRP. On the right, we have 1 hour XRP. I'm going to explain how to trade raw and using the system. Okay. Oh, you know what? We don't have a 1 hour to play. It's current. Well, we'll just do it from here. All right. And then I'll show you one that's actually happened just a little bit ago. Here you go. XRP, 1 hour buy stop. Why is this a buy stop? Well, we have lots of reasons. So let's show you all the reasons of why this is a buy stop. We're going to remove all the indicators. And if you look at this right here, nope, you could have did some ascending wedges here. There's no way, there's no candle. No can. I'm sure this is not a Fibonacci retracement in the least. I'm trying to think. I haven't used that in forever, but it's not. Your support and resistance lines. Yeah, you kind of could draw, but you don't really know. Because if you were going to do that, it'd have to be here to here with this. So this is a trend line. Hope it broke through the trend. Anywho, long story short, this is a raw chart on TradingView. Same thing for MetaTrader 4 or 5, MetaTrader 4 with black and white. Unsure. There's nothing you can do with this. You know, nothing of what's going to happen. I guess if you took this whole thing, yeah, you could do your ascending wedge on that. But you don't know where the time is. Well, at any rate, it's a bunch of shit. Good luck with that. You can go ahead and add these RSI and technical indicator. How can they call them technical indicators when they're naming them awesome oscillators, Bollinger Bands? Are you kidding me? Choppiness index. Come on. These are far from technical anything. And none of the patterns work. None of this shit. This is bullshit. Let's just call it for what it is. This is BS. Good morning, Cajun boy. So if you can't use a raw chart and you can't use the indicators that you have, and why can't you use them? Well, I don't know. Let's review what I already talked to you about again. For a fact, the old ways of trading fail you over 99% of the time. Don't argue with me. Dave Ramsey, go ahead and call him and say, Dave Ramsey, you're wrong. Good luck with that. Almost every day trader fails. 85% of us quit within the first 3 years because fib, all these things right here, all this shit that they're saying is technicals fail 99% of the time. Period. No argument. It's a fact. They did studies on it. One was 14 years. All of this fails 99% of the time. And again, if you think Head and Shoulders were, it doesn't. It's the silliest thing ever. Well, they all are. Fibonacci comes from nature. The naming of candles, there's not even candles. You can set your charts up, but there's no candles. They're so weird. And I say it's not just 99% of the time. I say it's 99.999999% of traders fail. So none of that works. So if none of that works, what do you do? Well, gee, I don't know. Let's look at the system. I'm going to tell you all the ways that it goes. It's showing you what it's going to do. Okay. It's currently showing a 1 hour buy stop for XRP. How do we know that? Well, let's go over here to our 4 hour. Blue line high, pink line low. We need it to come down a little bit further, by the way. It's purple to come down, but whatever. These are two reasons. This is the blue line low. This is a buy stop. These are the only 4 reasons you need. But watch, it gets better. Then what happens? You have the pink and the purple. They crossed. You have the purple coming on the way down. Everything green, by the way. Green means up in our business. Red means down. Well, look at all the green. You have a fill in the gap right here. You have green histogram bars. You have 1, 2, 3 real direction bars. You have green up here. You have our logo. You have our green candles. You have the orange staying above. You have the Bach being green. That's 2 of those. You have the color change line staying green. Over here, you can see everything's green except for this bullshit detector, which tells us it's a lie. It's not really going down. It's going to go up. This is the green candles. This is your orange dip right there. You can see the histogram bar, the Bach has 2 green. You can see the EMA turn green. The logo again is green. Then you come over to here. You have the bullshit detector, which is a fill in the gap trade right there. You have 3 green real direction bars. So we're up to 26 reasons to take the trade. Okay. What's up, Billy? Good morning, Dwayne. Ninja, Bitcoin looking like it wants to make new all-time highs. Yeah, that's good, but I'm explaining to you how this actually trades and how it works. So if you have a system that gives you 26 reasons, green meaning up, for XRP, or you can trade raw, right? Or you can have nothing on your charts, or you can have silly little RSIs and this and that and all the silliness that's out there. So nothing, or you can have 26 reasons telling you to take the buy on XRP. Okay. Now, this worked on June the 25th when I was calling out for a buy stop on XRP at 48 cents. And this is how easy this is. How do you get to remember this? Very easy. Oh, sorry. We're going to look at, we're going to take, we'll just take Ninja. Ninja is swimming, right, in the ocean, in the pool, we'll say, sorry. Ninja's trading, swimming in the pool. It's red. He's trying to go down to the bottom of the pool to pick up a dive stick, to pick up a quarter. The red means down in our business, and that's Ninja trying to dive down to get this dive stick down here, a penny, a quarter, a nickel, whatever. All right, that's what this is representing. However, below Ninja, right, below, I'm going to teach you how to use the system in 2 seconds. Just pay attention for 5-10 seconds. Watch. Below Ninja, you have all these green things pushing up. You have real direction bar 3, real direction bar 2, and real direction. So that means below Ninja, we have Dwayne, Billy, and Kevin all pushing up, right? And then we have this blue, pink cross, right? So we have 5 grown adult male and females pushing up against Ninja. Ninja's trying to go down. These are pushing him up. Above Ninja, we have Chris, we have Raw. These are green lines right here, the Bach. We have the green line right here, color change indicator. That's Iron Lion. We have Super Cyclist with the orange dip right here. We have our candles that are green. We have our logo. So now we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 grown adults, males and females, pushing and pulling up on Ninja. Ninja can't possibly go down. There's no way he's going to make it to the bottom, and it will go up. Now, if you start including all these reasons, which is the pink line low, blue line high, fill in the gap, which is the coolest thing you're ever going to see. This black space right here, green, yellow, the black space in here is that red thing right there, is that right there. So fucking cool. So yet another reason to go up, then the histogram bar, then all the 3 real direction bars. Then we have the orange high, and then we have the green EMA that changes colors. Then we have the double Bach. Then we have our logo. Then we have the candles that change color. That's how you get up to 26 different things are pulling and pushing up against Ninja Trader. Oh, thank God, Ninja, you're not going to drown. We're going to save you. We're going to push you up. This trade had no chance to do anything. It's going to go up. Just give it time. It may drop further. I'm not saying it won't, but I am telling you that give it time, it'll go up. Now, if we do the same rules We'll just go back in time over to here. The same exact reasoning why I called the trade over there. This is a 30-minute XRP. The exact same reasoning. Here is Ninja trying to go down. But we have all these reasons: green, 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 logo, blah, blah, blah. It's all right here. There's nothing different. Pink crosses the blue, people pushing and pulling them up. This trade had no chance to go down. So if you watch this, this is what I love. This is one of the very few things that are excellent about TradingView. I mean, I love this. Let's take a look. Let's go back in time. Watch this shit. This is so fucking cool. So now look, this is the exact look that we're having currently on the 1 hour. This is XRP 30-minute. We went back in time. Look, this is it. Same thing, blue down low. The 4 hours doing its thing. I'm not going to worry about all that. I'll take that off for you guys. We'll just look at the one for you. Watch. This right here. We have green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. Okay. One of these things doesn't belong. Let's take a look. See this right here? And all of this green. I'm going to move all of these out of your way for you. Okay. And we're going to take even off the sniper at this point. That just helps with your entry. All right. So watch. Right inside of this area right here. Right inside of this. Right here. One of these things doesn't belong. We have green, 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 red, green, green. Look, even our candle colors are green. Green, green, histogram bar, or Bach green. Our candle changes green. Our logo is green. We have all these green things up. It's a sea of green. You have another bullshit detector here, actually. Other than that, everything's green. So we're going to put I'm going to show you exactly where you'd put your buy stop. I would place it on the lowest EMA I see, but right now it looks like they're all in one. So we're going to put it right, hold on. We're going to put our buy stop line right above where everything's at right here. This is your buy stop. This is your, if it engages, our sell stop loss will be here. So this is your stop loss right here. Price action, if it comes up and over here or over here, it eventually come over that. And we're going to play this forward. So I'm going to go ahead and do my buy. This is XRP. We went back in time, and we're going to see what happens. Let's move all this back here. Let me clear. Do I want to take all this away? I'm going to do it manually. All right. So this is our buy-in, only because I have to call it before it goes up, because sometimes it busts up past my entry. So we're going to have to just play this by ear. If it goes again the right way, I'll do it. Okay. Right there. Now it's above the yellow right here. This is our setup that's currently looking at a 30-minute buy on XRP, but we're actually looking at the current call as a 1 hour buy stop. I'm just giving you a real life example of what's going to happen. So if you'd like, you can enter again on this, pop. And then all you do is we're going to go forward again and again and again and again. There you go. We're up and over. Now you're going to see this pink line and blue line come up. They're going to cross. Oh, it did cross. You're going to see price action go up. And then you're going to see this is a closed trade right now. You're going to see the green, 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 red went to green. Now that's closed. So we're going to go forward. And you can sell one or move one into lock and profit. It never went down to the stop loss line anyways. Buy stop again. You're going to see the pink line cross right here. You're going to see the pink cross. You're going to see this fill in the gap, and you're going to see price go over that yellow green line. And then you're going to see it's going to work its way over this. It's going to come up over this one right here. Watch. This will fill in the gap right here. You're going to see this close. Matter of fact, let me take this off of here so no one gets anything. Okay. Here we go. Watch this. There's the pink line cross, which means another entry if you'd like. Feel free. You're going to see that gap. See the gap fill right there? You're going to see this blue line eventually rise up. It'll rise up with price action before then, but you'll see that. I don't know if it happens now or in a little bit. We'll see. There you go. Pink and blue are rising. You're going to see the price go up. There you go. See that? See how it went up and over? Told you. As soon as that blue line hooked back up again, price came up over top of this one. There's your profit so far. Now it's going to reset. Hopefully we'll see the pink line down. Let me draw this out for you. Hopefully we're going to see the pink line come down like this. 30-minute it may, and then you're going to see the blue line hook across like this. And then you're going to see these green lines right here pull back down again. You're going to see some space. And then you're going to see this yellow line give us some space again like it did there. And then hopefully we'll see that soon. Sometimes it goes hard up on us. Okay. There's the pink line dropping down. Let's see if the blue line is going to hold or not. I don't think it will. I think it's going to fall too. Damn it. That's okay. If it falls too, we just have to wait for the pink to cross the blue for entry. That's all. Let me move this over a little bit. All right. Now let's see what happens here. Yep. There's the pink going up against the blue. You're going to see price action go up. Look. Yep. And we're in more and more money. There you go. Did it again. Now we pull back again. We're going to see the pink come down again. Watch. See it. See it. See it. There it comes down again. We do have the gap right here. Right there. There's a gap. Love this trade. You could do the buy off that orange line right there. We'll see if the blue line stays high, which it looks like it's going to. When this pink line, you're going to see the hook, and you'll see the price rise again. There's your fill in the gap again. Filled in the gap. Price has gone back up. Pink is coming up. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say every one of you needs a sniper. I'll tell you that. Then we want it to repeat. Now we want it to repeat again. We want to see this pink come down again. There we go. More of a gap. Perfect. Buy stop. Off the orange line. Fill in the gap. Pink back to the blue. 30-minute. Now I'd prefer this to come down and turn to red, but let's just see. I don't think we'll get all that now. Watch. When this comes, see it came and touched. That's when your buy would have been on the orange line right there. Now it's going to go up. There you go. And there it is. It's above the previous one. Filled in the gap. Pink came back up. See the little drawing I did? It was kind of cute. My drawing was kind of cute. There it is again. Did it again. And this will just repeat itself over and over and over again. And this is how you trade. System. It's that easy. Watch. Here comes the pink back down again. Anyone can do this. This isn't rocket scientist. Comes the pink, comes down again. Once it touches, hopefully we need a little bit lower on this one. Touched. It didn't give us the fill in the gap much, and it didn't come below the orange line. This is a trade you'll just have to miss. Unless you're just super aggressive. I'm not going to take the trade. So you just can't. Even though it went up, did its thing, it didn't meet our criteria. Now, see, here you go. It was forming a double bottom. Now we have the fill in the gap. Now we have the pink line coming down. I want to see price action go below here. Let me grab this and pull this up here. Oh, now you can't see my money. There you go. We want to see price action come a little bit lower than that if we can possibly get that. Buy again, buy stop again. Pink is pretty much where it needs to be. We have the on the gap trade, buy stop again. There it is. And there's your movement up again. Look at how not. Look at that. I told you it went higher the last time. See the fill. Oops. See the fill in the gap right here. That has closed again. Pink is coming up. See how it does this little half moon. By the way, I'm referring to this as headlights now. not udders and not half moons, headlights. What's up, Tank Dog? Good morning, Tank Dog. Good morning, Rich OBX. Good morning, Annie Apple. Headlights. Let me explain what I mean by headlights. All right. Because I'm trying to think of a way that I can tell you what needs to be done without offending anyone. The reality is, if I said something else, everyone will remember it, but I can't, so I won't, so I'm not going to. So I'm just going to refer to this as a headlight trade. It's a half moon, a headlight, or an udder, but I'm just going to call it a headlight. And what it means is this. You're going to see, whoa, get out of there. Oh, because I had it over top of that. That's my fault. You're going to see, let me zoom in just a little bit more. Okay. So this is like a headlight on a car with its beam coming out. It's as nicely as I could put it. Headlights. Yes, that's exactly it. See, somebody likes it. Does everybody like 7 if you guys like the term headlight? So this is a headlight. It's just the little way it looks, and then there's a beam of light coming out. All right. And this is the fill in the gap, and this is where it crosses right back here. And I'm not kidding around, but that's what it looks like to me, as nicely as I can put it. And then you put it, see it dip below our orange line. You come in on the orange line. This is the perfect little trade. Fill in the gap, pink line low, and it comes up. So anywho, I'm going to go ahead and see if that terminology will, if I'm comfortable with it, if you guys are comfortable with it. All right. So as we look at the trade, obviously we're doing pretty good with it. You can see the pink again, the little movement. It was on dim right here. It was just dim on the, there was no bright headlights. This had the bright lights on. This was just the regular headlights. Anywho, it's going up as you expect. And watch, it goes all the way up, pop. And now they're both up. Now I would sell at least one lock-in profit way back here and then let it come back down again. So we're going to let it come back down, pink line down here again. We're going to let these fill in the gap again. We're going to let this stay over the top. We're going to see price action come down like that. Then it's going to come back up like this. And then you're going to see this fill in the gap over here somewhere. And then you're going to see this go up. So you just wait. You just got to be patient and watch form. There it is. See the pink line coming down again. See, it wasn't a good, we couldn't have taken that trade. It never filled in. It's just a hard up. It means it's going up extremely hard. It's just going up really, really fast. Really, really. There's nothing we can do. Some of the trades you miss, some of the trades you make. There you go. This is a W. Buy, stop again. There's another W being formed. Again, you don't have the fill in the gap. It's a hard one to take, so you just have to keep making money off of your previous trades. There we go. See it, see it, see it. Now we have the purple dip, pink dip, blue line high, fill in the gap, buy stop, 1.1275, buy stop XRP. We'll watch these cross, the pinks across the purple heading up to blue. You're going to see these fill in again right here, and you're going to see this go up. Oh, even better. We're going to see a full on. This is going to turn to red. The blue is dipped now down now. So now this is a 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour buy. Yep, there it is. Pink crossed the blue. There's the closed one. There it is again. Pink crossed the blue again. I think we're going to come up to current soon. There you go. 100% win rate, which is to be expected. And there you go. And that's how I would trade XRP. And if you look currently, I love the playback feature. Love it. All right. If you look currently where we're at, let me take this off. Let me add it back on. All right. Live currently where we're at is a 1 hour buy stop on XRP. And I explained why and showed you how the trades worked. 1 hour buy stop XRP. Did everyone follow that? At least a little bit. Good morning, Dad Bod. Hot Rod. Everyone follow that? Yes or no? Or I guess sevens if you want. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Thank you for joining me this morning, trying to help you all retire if you want to. My goal is to help you all retire if you want to. If you don't want to retire and keep working at your job like Tommy, that's fine. He loves his job. He still makes up to $200,000 trades on gold, though. Obviously, Tommy could retire if he wants to. I don't know who these people are. They're so weird. Okay. All right. That is XRP. Bitcoin, everyone's favorite. Let's see Bitcoin, for instance. Gee, there's someone that called Bitcoin, just so we're all on the same page. I literally called out Bitcoin. My first Bitcoin call out was on 3/8/23, and I literally said the words, it'll go over 70,000 when it was at 26,500. I said it would go over 70,000 on Bitcoin. Okay. And then we made a called out on 3/8 right here. Then I made on 9/8 a Bitcoin call out when it was at 56,000. I said it would go over 80. Then I said it would go over 90. And now I'm telling you to look for it to go over 98 to 102. I'll know more exactly when this goes up over on my 3-week chart. I believe it's 3 week. But nonetheless, I called it out. But here's something even better. Matter of fact, here's me calling it out live. I believe this is one that was drawing. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Oh, look, I can't see it. So watch this. We have a signal service. And the signal service called out Bitcoin better than I did. The signal service is me without any kind of emotions and never sleeps and never eats. I'd like to be that. Bitcoin, September 3rd, it called out 5 days earlier. It called out the weekly buy stop. It's up over $38,000 on a $51,000 coin at the time, almost doubling your money. This is a tier 3 signal service. This call was made out September the 3rd. It's in our Discord. It's not edited, and that's what it did. Can you read it? Bitcoin, September the 3rd. By the way, all the rest of these call outs, all of these 18 signals were all correct. There hasn't been one miss in the weekly dailies at all. Bitcoin called out September the 3rd. Before I made the signal call out myself, before I called it out on the 8th at 56,000, listen to how good this is. The signal service called it out before me by 5 days. And instead of getting at 56, you'd have gotten in much earlier at 51 and change. So that's how good the signal services are, how good this works on Bitcoin. Oh, not only that, we had another signal service. I forgot. We have several. The Almost Holy Grail trade called out Bitcoin on October 27th. October 27th. Right. Must be here. Yeah. Right here. Okay. Now, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Let me add one on here. Good Lord. Oh. Okay. So for those of you who can't figure things out on your own, the signal service takes all the knowledge that you see, all these 26 reasons, and Keith has coded that and more into the actual line. So when you see a line right here, for instance, this is actually a take profit one. That's cute. Where was the signal at? Well, it's just giving you multiple entries over and over and over again when to get in. And it's just right. So if you're unclear of how to follow 26 things or you think it's too much, it's not. We have a very, very simple signal service that tells you when to get in. Very simple. It literally tells you demo order entries for entrances and all that good stuff. What's up, George Hyde? Good morning, sir. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So what are we looking at with Bitcoin? Let's be specific. I called Bitcoin on 3.8 to go over 70. I called Bitcoin on 9.8 to go over 90 and 100. Right now, I'm sticking with my 90. Obviously, that's a win. But where is it going to go to? How high? Well, and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Yeah. So the 3 week, when this pink line comes up to this orange line, and all I needed to go is halfway, I can give you a little better number. But as far as I'm concerned right now, unless this thing changes and I have the right of first refusal, you'll see this go over 98,000. If it goes over that 100,000 mark before we hit the 50 line right here, if this hits over 100,000 before this pink line, let me draw it out for you. Before this pink line comes up to over 50%, so somewhere around there, right? If it's at 100K up here, you guys, those of you who are buying it, are going to be extremely happy. So what does that mean? It's going to go up 120 to 150,000 if that happens. So I'll let you know. I'm already called the 100. I already called the 80. I already called the 70 on 3.8, 23 over a year and a half ago. I've already called 80, 90, and 100 on 9.8. Well, it was actually days after that too. I was calling it. I'm going to go ahead and call it to 120 to 150 if follow the logic, this stays below 50 before it reaches 100. Oh boy. If it does that, geez, oh fucking pizza. So how do you make money on Bitcoin after it's already risen so much? The same way you do with Ethereum and the same way you do with what? With XRP. Go to the 30-minute, 1 hour buys, specifically the 30-minute, and take any and all 30-minute buy stop. You can go back here. You can clearly see right here. These are 30-minute buys in the money, 30-minute buy, made money, 30-minute buy in the money, and making money. So you want, because just because Bitcoin is going, looks like straight up right on these weekly candles inside, and this, I don't usually get into this with you guys because, well, it's just not good. Inside of these candles that look like they're going straight up are 100, well, okay, 20 to 30 to 50, probably more, 50 to 100 buy stops 30 minutes inside of these candles. As this looks like it went straight up. Let me show you. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's go over to weekly Bitcoin. Let's go over to 30-minute Bitcoin. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Let's pull this out so you can see this. We're going to go inside of a candle. You guys are going to love this. I don't usually do this. How much time do I have? Okay, fine. Right here. We're going to go back to here if we can, and we can. There you go. Good Lord. And we can look from anything from 15-minute to 1 hour buy stops. So watch right here. This is a new weekly candle. And I'm going to blow your mind. Some of you don't understand what I'm talking about. This isn't for everybody. For those of you who have a little bit more training knowledge with my system, this is going to be a big plus for you. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. All right. So this right here, this blue line is when this weekly candle started. Okay. So now we're inside of a weekly candle. We're looking for anything from 15 minutes. I would do 5 minutes, but I don't want to confuse you. Look, here's our 30-minute. Here's your first 30-minute buy stop. Well, you think that this buy stop right here, look at both of my crosshairs. Buy stop inside of this weekly candle. Buy stop inside of this weekly candle, right? And look, this is your wick that you see at the top, and it comes down and it forms your little wick, right? That's what you're doing. Now what happens? Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. And now you're right at the very tip of this candle. So someone said, oh, it looks like it's going to be all-time high. Yeah, no shit. You're not even close to being done on this 30-minute buy stop. It's going to go up even more. And it's just going to, that's what it's doing. So if we go all the way back and take this line to here, I don't know if we can or not. Sometimes they don't allow you to. They limit your history. There we go. Now let's see. Now let's see from here. So now you have this little wick on the bottom right here. This is your bottom wick of your weekly. Inside of this candle now, look what you have. Look what you have. I'm trying to help you. Listen to this. This is the first time top. All it did was what you guys would call consolidation. On the weekly, it came over, touched its orange one, and shot up. This is the shooting up part right here. So if we come from here, I don't know if we're going to be able to, and we go down to a 15-minute candle, this would be a 15-minute buy stop right there. It's a 30-minute. Hold on. Can I turn on the fill in the gap one? We'll have to get with Keith. Nonetheless, this is a fill in the gap, 30-minute fill in the gap buy stop. This is a true on buy stop, 30-minute. And all you're doing is taking these buy stops inside this weekly candle. And if you wanted to, we can go up to the 3-week because I believe that was even clearer for you guys to see. And again, I don't usually go into this stuff. It's way more advanced than I don't even want to talk about. Don't ask questions. It's not going to be a good subject for you. Just rewatch this as many times as you want. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. Gonna be time for a whiskey. Jack Daniels and me got a brother. Okay, I know no words. My wife knows all the words. Come on now. Okay. Now watch this one. It gets better. This is why I keep telling you, why is this taking so fucking long? Look. This right here is crazy. Well, now we get to ride this pink sniper line up from here on Bitcoin. Watch how high Bitcoin's going to go. Bitcoin right here. This is 3-week candle for every one of these little movements. It's going to go up to the orange. until it goes up here. You're playing inside of these 3-week buys. Look, here's the next candle. It'll switch to here, right? So watch. This is the first candle back here. It touched our blue line here, technically, if you wanted to go here and go back to there. You see? And then as it's rising, as this pink line's rising, you're inside of this 3-week candle playing all the 30-minute buy stops that you want. Look, here's one you can't possibly miss. Here's another. Well, that's a get fill in the gap, fill in the gap, fill in the gap, buy, buy, buy. Here's another one, buy. And you see where you're at. This buy right here, this buy stop right here in Bitcoin, 30-minute buy stop right here is inside of right here on this candle on a 3-week candle that's on the pink moving up. So you can't go down. Bitcoin wasn't going to go down to nothing from here. When God could do whatever he wants, these are 99% accurate. I've never seen this trade miss. So when this green, 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 red happens, green, green, it's a buy stop, and it was trying to go down against a 3-week up movement. It can't do it. It can go down and form it for us. Watch, see a sell stop right here. But it can't stay down. It cannot stay down. So anytime you see the little sell, all that's forming is that little wick right there that you see. That's what that's forming. It's nothing. It's a zero issue. This has got to go up. It's trying to go down against the sniper showing you that it's going to turn and go up. There's a fill in the gap here. Everything's green. It just isn't. You can't go down to the bottom of the pool. Look, buy, stop again. Look at it. Buy, stop again. Fill in the gap. Buy, stop again. Look at it. And it goes up, up, up. There's your fill in the gap. There's your fill in the gap. There's another buy stop. None of these can truly go down because you're inside of, now you just started anew. Now we just started a new candle. Watch, I'll move this one over here. Now we started a new 3-week candle. And it just, if you follow what's happening, let me move this one too. I forgot we have two. I don't know why we have two. There we go. You can't. Now watch. Here's a big movement down. No, there isn't. It's not going to go down. It can't go down because everything is a buy. That's why you're seeing it go up. Oh, because of this and this. No, it isn't. This is a 3-month buy. Now, there is going to be pullbacks, of course. You'll see a red candle thrown in here. But this, as long as this is going up on the 3-week towards this orange line right here, which we now coded to do that. The great Keith Palmer did that. Thank you, Keith. This is going to assure that you're going to make money. Because by the time, my rule of thumb is, by the time this has come down and touched, I technically go about under 5, but by the time the histogram, by the time the pink line on your sniper goes down and touches the orange line, by the time it goes up to the top, it'll be higher. Well, it went down and touched here or came close enough here. By the time this pink goes up to here, price action will be above it. Of course, it's thousands of dollars above it. Does anyone see this stuff? Yes or no? Do you understand at least a little bit what I'm talking about when you're playing inside these candles? So that's how powerful the sniper is. It's telling you where the bottom is, catching a falling knife on a 3-week chart, and then telling you how to play it on the way up. All your buy stops. Good morning, Manula, and yes. Yay. Larry Cooper says yes. Yay. Good morning, Bob. What's up, Bob? I was talking about you the other day. Good morning, Bob Uten. C, says George Strait. Okay, so there's at least a couple of you following what I'm saying. So this is why when I'm going to help LD out. So when LD is teaching his children and grandchildren the flow, right? He's showing them this right here, the river's flowing one way and you can trade against it. This is what it is. The river, in this case, the 3-week, is obviously at its low and it's going up. So anything that goes against this river of going up isn't going to hold. So anytime you see a 30-minute or a 1 hour or a 15-minute buy stop, it's going to go right back up. It has to, because the flow of the river that LD so is awesomely teaching his children and grandchildren's ages 8 and 12. Imagine 8 and 12s learning this. By the time they're 18, they'll be master safety traders. They'll have their PhD in trading, and they'll understand that this river is really the 3-week right here. This river, right, is really this flow upward right here. Is the sniper pink line going up? This river flowing this direction. That's why he said, follow the overall directions and you won't drown. So if you follow the overall up movement on the sniper, we know the entrance off the orange line right here. We knew this was all green, 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 green. And then we have a silly little 30-minute buy stop, a little pullback. Of course it's going to go up. It has to, because of the flow of the river. Tyre Edwards. Yay, Miss Edwards understands. Jared, Cajun boy. You go, Cajun boy. Avocados. Good morning, avocados. And yes, nice. So that is what you guys have to get clear. This river, you can trade, and on a 3-week, you can trade a lot. You can trade a lot of downs. You can trade 5-minute downs, 3-minute downs. You can trade the sell stops. But the reality is overall flow is high. Watch, we can do the same thing. Let's go to gold, because everybody was high on gold. Now everybody's jumping out. Well, watch. We're going to go to our weekly gold. We rolled gold weekly gold all year long. Every 4 to 5 months, it did the exact same thing. Watch. This is what it did. Watch. This is your first buy stop in gold, which was here in February. Second one here in July. It's coming down currently to do it again. I'm trying to be patient as I can with this. We need this to come down a little bit more before I can start making calls, because it needs to come down and touch it. From the time it touches it, right? From the time it touches it, my rule of thumb, and this is how easy the system is to use. Watch. Let me get rid of this one. Okay. Watch. Want to know how easy it is to use? Just fucking take gold, and whenever it goes down to this bottom right here and it starts to turn up and the blue stays high like it did here the first time, right? Just take the buy. Take the buy. When this comes down to here, take the fucking buy. But no, I'm going to go ahead and complicate it for you and tell you to take every 30-minute buy on the way up. Well, let's look. Gold, we rode gold. Literally, we didn't make one mistake on gold the entire year of trading. We traded gold perfectly, because once this starts to go up, you're going to find 30-minute buy stops that a blind person can see. And I'm not exaggerating. Look, here's a buy stop. Nope, we got to go forward. Oh, we're not even on the 30-minute. Sorry. Let's try that again now and do it the right way. I don't know if we can go that far back. Oh, yes, we can. There you go. 30-minute buy stop to the blue line. Okay, here's a cleaner one for you. Look. 30, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. There it is. You're going to watch. There's one. This is showing us the bottom. Now watch over here. Watch. We're looking right here as this rises. That's what we're looking at. We're not looking at nothing else. We're not looking at anything before. We're not looking at any of this. We're looking right in here. Now, same for the future. We don't know the future, so we're just going to take that all away. Now, what we're looking at is right here. This. As this rises up, you're going to see 30-minute buy stops come into play over here. Orlando Walters is real knowledge. Yes, it is. I agree with you. It's a buy stop. Okay. Let's go going. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. I'm going to keep going till I'm going to move forward just a little bit here. You could have played all those buy stops. But let's keep going over here. Watch. Here you go. Here's your buy stop. So all you see is this. You see green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. But you see that it's inside of this pink line going up. And if you want to, I'll take this off. You're going to see that it's a green inside of the price action. I don't have to see that. I don't give a fuck. If I see this pink line going to the blue line on a weekly, I can call out any 30-minute buy stops and it'll be correct on the way up. Period. Doesn't matter. I don't have to see price action to trade it. That's why you guys crack me up. Well, I want to know where I enter in at. I want to know when this comes in. And where do I put my buys? Who the fuck cares? If you're down here when the 30-minute buy stops call down here, it'll be more higher. More higher, is that a word? The price action will be more than it is down here. It'll be more than it is when it gets up there. It doesn't matter your entries. Do you see why I laugh at you all when you try to tell me, oh, draw down, draw down, draw down? Don't get me wrong. I'm going to make you a funded trader version of the safety trade system, sure. But it doesn't matter. Does anyone see this? The sevens, if you guys understand, it doesn't matter your entries. Everyone's overcomplicated trading. It doesn't fucking matter. If there's a 30-minute buy stop and price action's down here, the sniper pink line is down here. By the time this weekly sniper line goes up here, it doesn't matter. That fucking money will be there. Price action has to be higher. It has to be higher. There's nothing else you can tell me in the world that it's going to be below there. It never is, never will be. You know, I know I'm right because there's thousands of you who bought the system, hundreds of you that use it every month. And no one's ever said, hey, I found a symbol where the weekly pink line was low and it went up to the blue line high and price went down. It's never happened. And I know all you people, especially the haters out there and the doubters, would give their left nut for it to happen, but it never happens. Let me be clear as I can be. Who the fuck cares about drawdown when you damn well know price is going to be above your entry? Who cares when you enter? Who cares if there's fucking $50, $100, $1,000 drawdown? It's going to be up by the time the weekly pink line goes from the bottom to the top. Am I clear? Am I clear? How much easier can I make trading than telling you that? That's all you need to fucking do. That's it. That's all. Now, if you want to do a 30-minute entry, sure. If it makes you feel more comfortable, sure. If it helps you realize that it's going to go up, sure. Who the fuck cares? As long as this weekly pink line hit the bottom and all this is green, green, you just make sure you're set up with everything. This, when you take this trade and this is done going to the top, you will have more money than when you started with. Can it be any easier than that? For the love of God. Some of you just well, my drawdown's at 250 and I can't take any more. Well, then why are you doing funded trader? Why don't you just put your money fucking in your own account, put $200 in there, $500, only trade a 0.01 gold. I guarantee you'll be up $150, $250 or more on this trade. Just like that, double your account. And gold did it all year long last year. Bitcoin didn't. XRP didn't. Ethereum didn't. GPB, JPY didn't. AUD, USD didn't. USD CAD didn't. Gold did this over and over again all year long. Only ones that care are the ones that trade with too big of lot size and no trade. Correct. Those are the ones that care about drawdown. Thank you, Larry. Darren Small, how to liquidate account? What the fuck? Darren, what are you talking about? They're over legislating. Yeah. Correct. Oh, maybe Darren was saying, he's saying the ones they're going to, yeah, because they're over trade. They're trying to trade. They're trying to do funded trading. They're trying to use other people's money. They're trying to use those large lot, the minis or the whatever the fuck they call this shit. And they're trying to move it to they're over leveraged. They're just over leveraged. They're ridiculously over leveraged. It makes no sense. Right. I'm going to give them a way to do it. Don't worry. But that's not what we're talking about. CDNA. Yes, I can try. Correct, George Strait. This is a very good way of saying it. They are over leveraging their asses off. That's why the count can't handle it. Correct. It's just don't do that. It's better to make, if you put a 0.01 on this gold and it goes up $500 an ounce, which is insane. You should be retired off of, if a fucking gold trader ever found $500 an ounce, they'd be retired and all their friends, right? But at least you make $500 and you've risked pennies. If you did it on SPX and SPX goes up 300 pips, well, you made $300 and you only risked pennies. If it went against you on SPX 0.01 lot size, 20 pips, $20. 50 pips, $50. 100, but you can't be wrong with my system, 100 pips. If you are on SPX, you are reading something wrong. You're doing something way wrong. So you can't afford a $100 loss? No, it's because they're putting a 1.0 lot and it's a fucking $10,000 loss and they can't handle it. Just do a 0.01 trade. That's when I show you these things. Let me be clear. When I show you these things, these little pictures right here, and I tell you, for instance, right here, that if you would have did a 0.01, now this is on US 30, this is still bigger. You can lose money on that one a little bit. But, if you have about, I would say you can withstand anything with a $500 count. I'd prefer a $1,000 count. But this is 4,600 pips on this one. It's at 0.01. So let me show you on the other one right here. There is, SPX, let's look at these. Let's look at these trades. This is the weekly, daily 100% win rate, 18 out of 18 calls. NAS, you can safely, I trade NAS all the time. $2,000 on a 0.01 trade. $60 on GBP JPY on a 0.01 trade. SPX, $600 on a 0.01 trade. GBP USD, $60 on a 0.01 trade. US 30, $5,000 on a 0.01 trade. Gold, $400 an ounce. So you would have made $400 on gold. USD CAD, 30. NAS, $2,000 on a NAS trade. SPX, $300 on an SPX trade. You can't do Bitcoin like that. $2,000 on NAS. 1,500 pips on UK. You'd have made over, just the indices, $13,500 on 0.01 trades. I'm just trying to say, you don't have to go big. This is since July. You'd have made $13,000 in this, $4,000 in the others. You'd have been about $17,000 to $20,000 up since July on 0.01 trades. And that's not including all the extras there. Ugh. Correct. They're over leveraged. Correct. Too much. All right. Ninja wants me to look at CDNA. Cool. I never looked at CDNA. CDNA. Diamond. No. What the fuck? What did he say? CDNA. There's, all. My bad. Krzeczowski. This one, I'm assuming. Let's take a look. All right, let's see what he wants to see. I hope it's good news for him. Let's check a look. We're going to put, that's a sell on a 30-minute. But let me just pull this open right here like this. Let me pull this back over here like that. Let's go over to here. And daily, got to come down further. It's going to come down more. Weekly buy. 3 weekly sell. Monthly sell. 3-month buy. All right, let me narrow it down for now. All right. Daily. This is why I saw that initial 12-hour sell. Play any 1 minute through 4-hour sell stop to the 7-hour blue line of, what is this? CDNA. Sell to the 7-hour blue line. Now, love the weekly buy. 3 weekly still going to be a longer term. Monthly sell. Sell monthly. Ooh. Can we get this to do the weekly? I think we can. Buy stop. Follow the rules. So when this pink is down here, it's going to hook like this. This is going to cross, probably not that low. It's probably going to cross up here higher like that. Make sure this stays across. This is going to, I would do this. Yeah, this is beautiful right here. It's going to come over, did its thing. It's going to come up. Now, how high is it going to go? I don't see it going much higher than right here because of the sell. Do I see these things filling in the gap? Yes. So, all right, here we go. This is, I do move things around a lot, don't I? Looks like it's a little possessed little arrow. Oh, there we go. This is buy stop. Who is this? CDNA, buy stop. 2384, buy stop. 25, buy stop. 26. It's going to be fill in the gap. It's going to come over if you're super aggressive. 23. Buy stop. Excuse me. CDNA weekly. This is going to take a while to develop. So it's going to be a shorter term sell to the 7-hour blue line. Once that completes, once it hits it and stays down a while, then start looking for these buys. And I'd follow that down too if I were you. And you're going to see this pink line come all the way down to here. Once it does that, you'll know you're getting close to the over. Then look for this buy. So you could probably pick this thing up once it drops some more at 2190, probably lower than that. It's probably going to drop down to here somewhere. 2162. Yeah, you're probably going to get in a buy down there. And that's how I would look at it. Now, if you want to go even longer term, monthly sell stop 1875. This is bad. Let me see the 3 month. Oh, that's better. Yeah, they don't give me enough history on this to read the charts properly. They piss me off. So yeah, a monthly sell, ridiculously long. A weekly buy. At least you're going to see it shoot up for, I would say, after this push down to the 7-hour, you'll see it pull up for about several weeks. Oh shit, fire. Is there any news this morning? I really don't want news. I'll do it if there is. Is there any news this morning? Hope that helped you, whoever asked that question. Ninja. God dang it, it did it again. Motherfucking TikTok. Thank you, Mr. C. Yeah, that was my fault. That was about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So we're going live again. Damn it, on TikTok. Good thing I didn't force you all over there. I have to see it changes colors to like a simple gray. Your sell on NAS, by the way, is doing extremely well. Your sell on NAS is doing extremely well. Thank you, Mr. C. Appreciate you. We're back live on. It's either going bankrupt or about to turn around. Pretty much how I read it. It's pretty much how I read it too. But I really like this buy. I would follow this down. I really like this buy on CDNA, this weekly buy. It is it's our logo. First time it went all the way down. Purple's coming down. We have the film. I like this buy. I do. Let's go over to NAS and see where we're at. I do. Da 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 da. I do. Hell yeah. Told you to play any sell stop on NAS and SPX until they hit or get close to their 1 hour blue line. Hell yeah. I like the trade. I have one open, so we're good. I do. I saw the weekly as in tree. That's good. You're hunting around. See, you can use it on any of the 1,000 symbols. Now, if we find a symbol it doesn't work on, I will call that and tell you all and put it in our rules. Don't trade this symbol. But I know a lot of you guys go around looking for everything, and no one's ever said, "Oh, the weekly went with the proper setup." You know, you have to have your greens. The weekly went, like this. Oh, it went from pink went to the blue, and then price went down with this greens above. I've never, ever, 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 ever heard that or seen that on any symbol. And we're talking over 1,000 of them. TikTok should be up again. It was down. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Mr. C. Good morning, by the way. Good morning, the gaming milkman. Larry, try TikTok again. I think it's up. There you go. Okay, Larry's over there. Thank you, Larry. All right. Look at how much fun. Sell stops in the money again on NAS. I keep telling you to take any sell stop you can, just like it was called out. Now we can't say add open. Fuck. Hold on a second. Can I do this to this? Hold on. I do. There we go. More than one way to solve a problem. The US 30, to be clear from yesterday, the US 30 did go down and did hit its 30-minute blue line as called out yesterday morning. And then it did fall right here to the blue line. It's gone up. I think that didn't go up high enough. I expect this to go up higher and then ricochet back down. But anyways, it's a ricochet, as I called out, to the 30-minute blue line on US 30. It's back. What's up, Annie? What's up, Paycheck, Mr. C, and Super Z? All right, it's been a good morning. Everybody having fun this morning? I really liked it. I'm going to have to leave right at 9:30, probably like 9:32. 100% going to have to leave then. Okay, hopefully there was no news because we ain't trading that shit. I love you. I do. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yay. I wonder if all those emails went out. Sure doesn't look like the emails. Did everyone receive an email this morning? Because that doesn't look right. Something isn't right with that. And this is a real easy way to trade. Let me just teach you. I'm just going to show you this in 1 second. And take pictures of this, by the way. What I'm going to show you is just take pictures. Just take, okay, either one, but I'm going to do this one right here. Just take a picture of this because it doesn't get any easier. And this is why the sniper rifle is going to be so valuable. This is a sell stop, right? Everything is perfect. You have the bullshit detector saying green. That's perfect. You're trying to stay above the water. You can't. You're in the ocean swimming. Below you, real direction bar 1 is pulling you down. You have Larry Cooper trying to stay up. You have the gaming milkman pulling him down. Below him again on real direction bar 2. You have Mr. C pulling him down, direction bar 3. You have Super Z pulling him down. So you have poor Larry trying to stay up. You have 3 going people pull it. Then look, it's going to the blue line. It is red on your Bach. Look, you have your logo right here. Let me see my candles. I'm sure they're going to be that, but we have to verify. Yep. All the candles are red. See your red candles right here. So now you have Kim, you have Ninja, you have Paycheck, you have DeWitt's, you have Dan Bree, all these pushing down. This is pushing down, pulling down. Then you have the most important thing, blue line high, pink line cross. It's going to go down. It's telling you, all of this is telling you that this trade has to go down. And all you see is the only thing that doesn't belong is this green. Red, 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 green, red, red. Everything else is red. There's literally nothing else you see. There's this other one right before it. You can play that one too, by all means. The reason being it's not as good as or should played. This blue isn't high. The blue needs to be up here on your sniper. That's why that's better. But you can still do it. So if all you see, right, is a sea of red candles, red Bach lines going to the blue line, to trade, Mr. Larry had no chance of staying up. The trade had no chance of going up. It had to go down to its blue line. That's why I called it yesterday. It's that easy. And again, some of you get mad and get offended, but we haven't played our little song. So let's go ahead and play our little song this morning. Everyone can sing along if you like. Thank you, Ninja.
Carefully, because one of these things just doesn't belong.
Okay. So it's an overwhelming sea of red. An overwhelming sea of red. And there's only one thing that doesn't belong. It's odd. It's the green. So it's not really going to go up. That's why US 30 went down. Now, ultimately, US 30 is going to flip and come back up again, but that's not the point. Right now on the US 30 minute, this is what you want to see, and this is your sell. That's why I called and made this call yesterday at this time of the day. I told you, then look for US 30-minute sell stop to the blue line. This is the blue line right here. I didn't write to the blue line because I didn't have space, but everyone knows that, and I said that. Okay? So does this make sense? Love the song. I love the song too, John. Thank you. Most people get, well, we're adults, we shouldn't be. No, it's an easy remembering tool. This is to help you remember. Take a picture of this setup, put the little singing song to it, and then get a little thing and play it back while you're trading. Look, the green isn't like it. The green doesn't belong. It's not like the other. Look. You want me to? Everyone complicates trading. I told you how to do the weekly. Now I'm showing you how to do the 30-minute. When you see, and we have a sniper rifle coming up, when you see a sell stop to the blue line that looks like this on any time frame, take a picture of this. When you just take it. It's not complicated. This will go down to its blue line in touch or get close enough. In this case, it went past it, touched and went past. This is a sell. This is all you need to do. When you see this setup, take the sell. That's it. When you see, let me make it clear for some of you, because some of you are like, really, whatever. Look, when you see inside of here, that's all you need, nothing else. When you see this, it's red, green, red. It's a sell stop to the blue. See price actions up here. And some of you might not even understand this. Price actions up here, it's going to go down to the blue line. Price actions up here, it's going to go down to this blue line. That's all I can tell you. You see the setup exactly the way it is. Take a picture. Then you'll see price action. Oh, look, it went down to the blue line. Okay, how do I word this to be easy? Does this make sense to you? Does this make sense to an 8-year-old and a 12-year-old? That's all you have to do. Look, let me show you in real life. We're going to go back to here. Okay. Matter of fact, we're going to go back to here. This is what it looks like in real life right here. Now watch, we're going to wait. I'll play it back for you. You can either enter on the yellow line on your sell stop, or you can wait for pink to cross the blue, which it kind of technically is right there. So we can do a sell right there. Okay. Or we can wait for the pink to see now it's fully crossed the blue. We can do another sell there. Okay. There you go. And then what? And there it goes to the blue line. There it is. What more? How much easier? I wish I could move this. Why can't you move this? You can't move it. All right. We'll put it here then. Look, how much easier can you make something than just that? Let me go back again. And these are 30-minute. You can clearly see red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. I don't know. Wait for the pink to cross. Again, to me, that's close enough. I would take that trade given what I'm seeing right here. But we'll wait. There's the cross of pink, cross blue. You put your sell in. Okay. Then what happens? It's completely crossed now. And there it is. And that's your playback. I don't know what to tell you. That's as easy money as you can possibly make. It's as easy as you can get. And it's all because one of these things doesn't belong right in here. You can clearly see right in here. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. This doesn't belong. This doesn't belong right there. And that's it. I don't know how much easier you can make something in life. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I wish we can go back in time and replay it. Good morning, Jan. Good morning, Fly the Sky, Jan Flyowski. Good morning, Jan. All right. Sevens, if you all understand this basic concept, including new people. And this is called the sell stop. I usually do buys. Why I'm going over this a few times, because you 90% of the time see buys, but it works so good on sells. What's up, Ace Bullet? Good morning, BCM. Good morning, Larry. Thank you guys for answering. That's all you need to know. Just take a picture when you see this setup. And this sell works on 1 second, 5 seconds, 1 minute, 30 minutes we're on. Works on daily, weekly. It doesn't matter. When you see this setup going to the blue line, it works on everything. Good morning, Nellie Wood. Good morning, Rhinus. One like the other. We have about 45 minutes left. Let's go hunting for some more money. All right, let's go find some demo money for you guys. Da 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 da. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So easy. I mean, really, honest to God, the 8-year-olds and 12-year-old children, grandchildren should be able to see this. Don't worry, they will. They'll be unstoppable. All right, let's go hunt for some fast demo money, shall we? We did Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. Where's their next stop? I told you. Well, we already looked for the fast demo money, made a shit ton, and now we're going to go ahead and do it again. Yep, negative 10 second. Nope, 15 second. Nope. We're on US 30. I'm going to try to find you a little bit of 3-minute sell, 10-minute sell, 15-minute sell, 30-minute sell. This is a ricochet back, sell back. Remember I told you it was going to come up, hook, and come back down? Well, that's exactly what it's doing. Yep, there it is. There, I called this out this morning at like 6 a.m. There it is. There's your sell stop. That's your ricochet. Now, I kind of thought it was going to go up a little bit higher, but it was a ricochet back down to its blue line. Perfection. Let's look at NAS. There you go. NAS is going to its 1 hour. I told you this morning, matter of factly, not only did I tell you this morning, look at that. Told you. How does your garden grow? Told you. This is a sell from this morning, right when I went live. $3,500. Sweet. It's not done. I'm going to keep holding that open. Lock in profit. Matter of factly, let me jump on that right this second. Lock in profit. And it's now a risk-free trade. And 3,500, this woo-hoo-hoo, it's going to go all the way down and touch its blue line, or it's going to get super close. I wonder why. Let's see US 30. US 30 minute sell stop to its blue line. I just trained you on that for the last 15 minutes. And then NAS 1 hour. Let's see. What is this right here, everybody? I swear. Literally taught you what's happening right inside of here is called the sell stop. It's a sell stop. I wonder where it's going to, peeps. Let's see. Oh, look at there. It's going to its blue line. This is NAS 1 hour. This is exactly, let me just show you in real life. Oh, I don't want to go back through all that. Never mind. I'm not going to go through all that. I don't want to pull that up. Because then I have to do this. I'm not doing all that shit. Nope, not doing it. So this is NAS 1 hour, and here's US 30 minute. Sell stop to its blue line, and it hit it. Then it ricocheted and did it again. Let's see. Here's NAS again. Now let's see. It's NAS 1 hour sell stop. See, mine was look for the US 30 minute sell stop to the blue line. Then NAS SPX 1 hour sell stops to their blue line. And again, I wrote this out about 24 hours ago. I told you this was going to happen. You had plenty of time to look for the trade. And guess what SPX is going to look like? Anybody have a guess? Anybody at all? Oh, look. SPX is a sell stop. Just like its big sister. There it is. Sell stop SPX to its 1 hour blue line. But NAS is a different symbol. No, it isn't. It's the exact same thing. Sell stop to its 1 hour blue line. US 30. No, it isn't. Same thing. It's a fill in the gap. Sell stop to its 1 hour blue line. Oh, wow. You mean to tell me that SPX, NAS, and US 30 move in unison 99% of the time on higher time frames? Nope. I'm here to tell you it's 100%. There's your fill in the gap. Here's NAS sell stop to the blue line. Here's SPX sell stop to the blue line. You mean they're scamming us somewhere? Probably. Oh, bingo, boppo, bango. Correct terminology, John. When will 4 hour NAS go to its blue line? Well, let's look at NAS. There isn't a sell stop to its 4 hour blue line. What are you talking about, Tank Dog? It's green, 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 red. This is a buy stop. It has to be a sell stop or a buy stop to its blue line. This is red, 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 green, red, sell stop to its blue line. So there is no 4 hour sell. There's a 1 hour sell to blue line. And they form in the order, remember our rules, they form in the order they develop. So the seconds form first, then the minutes in here in the hourly, and then the daily and the weekly form. One next to the other. One dot, 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 dot. Oh, checking it right now. Fear Crypto live right now with your stream. Fear. On where, Mr. Gold? Is he out of TikTok or is he out of thing? Yeah. If FEAR is streaming my live, and anyone's listening to him, do not listen to him unless he's referring you to our system. That's fine. Yeah, that goes for anybody. Thank you, Gary. Appreciate you. So you can restream this live all you like. You just give credit. So I guess if Fear wants to speak up right now. You can go ahead and restream it. Thank you, Mr. Gold. Feel free to restream it, but you cannot take credit. TikTok figures. It's always TikTokers, I swear. What's up, Mickey? So if there's a user by the name of Fear on, is it FEAR on TikTok? You need to speak up before I get you. I'll have to ban you. Oh, thank you for answering. Hi, Christy. Sorry. Good morning, Christy. I didn't see your message. I apologize. Good morning, Nellywood. Good morning, Rhinus. I already said good morning to Nellywood and Rhinus. What indicators? It's a system that I made. It's called the safety trade system. Thank you for answering her, Mickey. Appreciate you. That was very nice of you. And good morning to you again, Christy. Da 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 da. You're allowed to restream. Just make sure you're giving credit to me and not trying to make it look like you're actually the one doing it. I don't. Can you send his link, Gary, please? Can you send his TikTok link? I'm just skimming through, and I don't have a live thing. My youngest child does it for me in the afternoons, but not in the mornings. Wow, there's a shit ton of people coming through here. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Holy crap. Yeah, again, restream this, just redo it all you want. I don't care. Just make sure you give credit to me in the system. That's all. Well, at any rate, not going to lose sleep over it. Larry Cooper joined, say hi. Hey, Larry. All right, let me make this smaller again. He's gone now. Aw, you scared him away, Mr. Gold. If I could have found him, I could have blocked and banned him. I'll try to remember that name, though. Thank you very much, Gary. Yeah, I'll block him so he can't do it again. I don't care if they restream it. Just give credit for where it is. Because if they're trying to sucker their people into saying they're making, by the way, look at that NAS go. As I'm teaching you it, look at that shit go. Boom, baby. You want a part-time job? First of all, you shouldn't have a part-time job. My whole thing about that is screw second and third jobs. Learn how to use the safety trade system. Make $5,600 and whatever dollars this morning, and then call it a day. You only need one job. You should be able to retire from trading. And that is my whole goal, is to get you all to be able to be retired if you want to be. But as long as his name was FEAR, I got him. I'll get him next time. He won't come back in and restream. All right. Does everybody see it going down before your very eyes? NAS's, SPX's, US 30 went. I was able to make these call outs a day before they happened. This is yesterday. These were called out yesterday. About 24 hours ago, almost to be exact, is when I was calling these trades out for you. Okay, now let's go ahead and look over at Let's go over to GPB, JPY, because I just am not. So to sell 2 hour to 3 hour sell. I called that this morning, by the way. But any sell stop to the 4. I just hate calling out sells for GPB, JPY. And this is how I would read this one. Oh, it's already bounced off of it. Fuck. Knowing what you guys now know, Look at this. I just taught you about playing inside of candles and specifically playing inside of our pink line. It isn't quite to the bottom yet. Okay. I need this to come down just a little bit further. I'm still going to call it. All right. That's what I'm going to call for you. I'm not even giving you the 30-minute buys. I'm just going to call this outright. Let me give it to you. Buy stop 194.198 GBP JPY. Buy stop 194.318. Buy stop 194.560. Buy stop 194.922.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Okay. This is easy money. When this pink goes back up to this blue, let me be clear. Yep, absolutely. It hasn't touched yet. So technically we have to wait a little second too long, or maybe another week or two before. When's the next click? Hold on, let me see when the next one is. We might have to wait to December 2nd. But if we can get this to come down and touch, then yes. Then when this goes back up, which this didn't even come up all the way to the top, this is going to be a big movement up. This is inside of a W, right? This didn't touch. Wow, this is going to be big. Look how much it boosted up the last time. Yeah, it's going to go up. When this movement happens, you'll see GBP JPY be over 206 when this pink comes back up and touches this blue. I hope Bob remembers this for me. Amen to that one job focus. Amen to that occasion. And the 30-minute blue and pink also crossed. On which symbol, Guerrilliano? And good morning to you, Guerrilliano. The Griffey. Good morning, the Griffey. Good morning, Super Z. Good morning, Paycheck. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right, let's go find some money. Let's just go find some demo money for you guys. I don't care if you guys are scammers or not. Let's find some money. And again, thank you so much. Let me thank Gary real quick. All right, let's go a hunting. Everybody want to sing the song? Thank you very much. Da 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 da. All I heard was like, all I heard was a link in the bio. He was showing the whole system and was talking and showing what Solana Crypto was doing. He dropped his live for no reason. It was odd. He probably blocked you. He might have blocked you. Do you have his TikTok info? We need like his username because we have hundreds of people. As long as he's one of us, that's fine. If he's not one of us, We're going on the line. We're hunting rabbits. What's up, Coder1234? NQ. Yep, been calling that all morning. Morning, Kev. Matter of fact, NQ is your NAS, and the NAS is what was called out yesterday. And then the NAS is going towards its, it's in a free fall down to its 30-minute blue line as called out yesterday. And your NQ would, this was at 2,000. This was at 3,000. Now this sell that you're in is at 7, that I called this morning when I first went live at 1,300, is at 7,000 this morning. I only did a 0.5 too. I wish I would have did a lot, but it's just too much for that size of account. So basically I doubled my account this morning on one trade. On the 30-minute blue and pink also crossed. NAS 30-minute. We are going on a lot. That is true. NAS hit blue line. Nice. Good morning. Done before market open. Taking my 477. Ha ha ha. Jamie Rojo. Jamie Rojo, can you be retired if you want to be retired? Can you just do trading if you wanted to? Good morning. Taking my 400. That is the perfect answer this morning. Taking my $477 and running. Amen. Just take it and get out of Dodge. NAS hits 1 hour blue line. Thank you, Kevin. Nice, Dennis. Congratulations, Dennis. Congratulations. NQ. Yeah, it's going to drop to this 1 hour blue line. Planning 1 second through 1 hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line of NAS and SPX. I have a question with the NAS 1 hour sell stop in the cipher because the pink is low and the 1 hour is not on a no trade. I mean, yes, the 5 minute have a sell stop and the 15 minute a gap, but sniper confusing at this point. The sniper confuses me. So we're talking about NAS 1 hour. No. It's see right here. What you're saying is the 5 minute has a sell stop. I have no idea. Let me look. That isn't going to help, is it? Yeah, 5 minute sell, 10 minute sell. It's filling the gap. 15 minute, 30 minute cross. No, that you are mistaken. This isn't your master. The 1 hour isn't telling you that this is just your pink going to the blue line. So if this pink going to the blue line, so in other words, did I say that wrong? This is your blue line low, pink line high. If we come over to here and we look where you were saying, because you brought up the 15 or the 5, let's go over to the 5 real quick. And let's go back to actually where we can see something really quick. Right there. Okay. So right here and right here and right here. Okay. Now, what you're going to see is, that you're looking at it wrong, Jan. If this is your master on US, which we're using, which is the 1 hour, then the pink line high and the blue line low, that is a sell. Then you have your sell stop. Then you have your 5 minute, 3 minute. I'm sure you had several 1 minute sell stops. See the blue line high. So to finish this trade out, you are confused. And this would be, you're not used to seeing sells. That's the problem. This is just opposite. So this is why I told you I'll take a picture. This should be reversed. Technically, I should have over here the 1 hour and over here the 5 minute. And then we'll take all this shit down and we'll go back in again and do it. So now if we look over here, look. Now if you look over here, you're going to see pink line high, blue line low with the blue line with the buy stop. And then, of course, you have all these other things. You have real direction bar, number 1, 2, 3, red, red, red. You have the actual Bach red. You have the thing. You have your color line red. You have the candles red. You have the logo red. You have your real direction bar 1, 2, 3 right here red. You have the, like what's his face said, you had the pink cross it. And then, of course, you have your red on your Bach up here. You have your logo. You have the red candles, and you have it going to the blue line. So those are all your reasons, Jen. You need to write out your reasons why you would take a trade. It's in our rules. You need to write out a reason why you would or would not take the trade. Does that make sense to you, Jan? I think you were trying to use the 1 hour as a small, remember, they always form. I don't understand. If you're using your 1 hour as the master, like I just showed you, Jan, or just stay off these fucking time periods. That's my suggestion to you. I just showed you a trade that when this weekly line comes down, and it's not down, look, it works again right here. This is NAS. When this touches the orange, just fucking take a fucking buy. I don't care at what price. I don't give a fuck what it's doing. Just do a buy on NAS 0.01 and then let it go. By the time it comes back up to here, it'll make money. I don't give two fucks if you get in the right time or not the right time. This, when it's down here, when it goes up to here, will be higher than that. That's all I can tell you. Price action, when this goes from here to here, Price action, you'll have more money than you started with. Stay away from the 1 hours then if that's what you're worried about. It's that simple. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Was his name Fear Crypto? Interesting. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Good Lord. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. All right. Enough on that. Come on. We got to get what is your bias for NQ? What's up, Vertical Cinema? I've already called NQ. We're up thousands of pips and $7,800 on it. It was a sell as called out yesterday. NAS the same thing as NQ. There's no difference whatsoever. So what is my bias? Making money. It's going to continue to do a sell to its blue line, to its 1 hour blue line, as I called out and wrote out right here for you. Play any sell stops you can find until NQ, NAS hits its 1 hour blue line or gets a little closer. I don't think it's close enough. SPX, US 30, and US 30 did hit its 30-minute blue line as called out yesterday, to be clear. Yep, it was back here, and here it is there. Doop. Exact same thing NAS is showing on the 1 hour. There is no bias. We make exact trades. So there is no bias of what I think it's going to do. I tell you exactly what it's going to do, and it does it. And it's not me making the calls. I give God all the credit. Oh, you're too cocky. You're too... No, God gets all the credit. Simple as that. But I can tell you with authority what it was going to do. I called the buys in the morning, and there's your sells today. Simple as that. So again, oh, wow, good stuff. Thank you, Vertical Cinema. Don't cast stones, buy the system. It works, correct. Good morning. It's expendable. $100 on Don. Look at Tank Dog making money on the SPX. Good morning, Jackson Andre. Oh, I missed a whole bunch of messages here. Good morning, Don. I hope I helped you, Jan. Tony Villabose. Good morning, Coach. Made $2,930 from the NAS sell stop to 1 hour below line like you called it. Y'all need to get the system in the sniper system. Amen. Anthony Villabose. Anthony Villabose, I always say. That's not his name. Tony is his name. But I'm horrible with names. Look. Again, this was a 1 hour sell stop that I called out before it even happened yesterday, just so we're clear. Before this even formed, I called it out. Some of you should be wondering how the hell I did that, but look at it. Good Lord. Oh, Lord. Boom. Enter off your yellow. There she goes. Good morning, Jackson Andre. Good morning, it's expendable. Sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. It's expendable. Tank Dog made $100 on my demo NAS 5-second. Nice, Tank Dog. The system works flawlessly. Yes, it does. It's expendable. I love it. Thank you. The system works flawlessly. Thank you. Good morning, Azar. What's up, Azar? Bought this morning. I'm 18, ready to go. Nice, Micah.tyg. Everyone, welcome, Micah. Micah, the first thing I'd recommend you do is go over to YouTube. Go over to YouTube and start watching the lives there, and go back and watch the last 15 or 20 videos. Yes, I know some of them are 3 hours long. I can't help that. But I would come over to this is the safety trade right here. And I would get on here. It says 800 videos. Really, we have about 2,200. I was just too lazy to put the disclaimer on the other videos, the other 800. No, hell, I have more than that. 1,500. We have 2,200 videos. Is that what I said? Anyway, so yeah, come over here, subscribe over there, watch some of the YouTube videos. You'll get your thing as soon as my beautiful wife gets up here in about an hour, 2 hours. You'll get your link. Let me see. Everyone, please welcome Mike. I see you, Micah. I'm going to do Micah a solid right here. I'm going to go ahead and Micah Parsons plays for the Dallas Cowboys. The only good thing on the Dallas Cowboys, we suck. I think the Browns are sucking worse than we are, though. How are the Browns doing this year? I think we're like 3 and something. We suck. Dallas Cowboys suck. They always suck. I swear to God, it's like a curse. Should have never got rid of Jimmy Johnson. Gonna be a template. We're sending out your NDA right now, Micah. Everyone, please welcome Micah, 18 years old. Oh, fuck, what I give to go back and have the knowledge I do now. Micah, when you become a millionaire, I want you to send out a thank you to me. I want you to say, hey, thanks, Kevin Breen. Appreciate you for everything you did. I predict, I'm putting this over him. I pray it works out for him. I'm asking God to make Micah a millionaire by the time he's 21. Please let Micah learn, have patience, learn the system, give it a few years, even if necessary. I doubt it will be. 18-year-olds are smarter than fucking any of us these days. Welcome aboard, Micah. And I really believe, that in 3 years we can have Micah a millionaire. And then I want you on the show, and I want you praising the greatness of the system every fucking day. Okay? T. Thomas. Just waiting for the NDA. Is that you, T. Thomas? Is that you, Micah? Good morning, Joseph. That is you, T. Thomas. Why is T. Thomas Micah? I'm a little confused, but that works. Welcome, T. Thomas / Micah. Welcome. Micah, T. Thomas. Okay, gotcha. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Linda. Micah, you ready to be rich? Yep. Jackson Andre, welcome. T. Thomas, amen. Welcome. That's awesome. You've made a wise decision. Oh, I agree with Linda. Linda, we got to get you to be a millionaire too. We got to get things rolling. Millionaire in real estate and trading. Oh, that's cool. You can take the trading and buy real estate. That's what I've done. Yeah, by all means. You can absolutely, yeah. Yeah. NAS going to hit its 1 minute. I don't know. We can look at that. I keep saying we're going to go hunting. We haven't hunted for shit. Damn. NAS going to, I'll check that out right now. I'm on my mom's YouTube. Oh, okay. There you go. That explains it. Well, welcome aboard anyways, my friend. Good luck. If there's anything I can ever do to help you, sure. Just don't over email us or you get on my pissy side and I'll not like you. So don't do that. He's like, what? A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Oh, we froze again. Fuck. Let's go to NAS 1 minute when it unfreezes. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Okay, I might have blew up my computer. What the hell? Why is this thing not moving? And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Got a nut, not a nut. Got a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Ah. Missed 3 field goals Sunday and got blown. That sounds about the Browns in Dallas. Tell the truth, Kev. God knows I'm trying. I know, but Linda, we're going to got to do something. The Browns are terrible. Yep, so is Dallas. Why I don't have that tool badge on my name. Tool badge on my name. Kev, would you mind looking at EUR AUD? Sure. Let's look at EUR AUD. Then I have to make some other call outs. Why did someone say NAS 1 minute? I don't see that trade. How much time do I have left? Oh, I got about 15, 20 minutes. Okay, we're good. About 17 minutes. EUR AUD. Let me see if I could just. Yeah, I probably don't have that one on here. Hold on. EUR USD. No. Okay, let's go over here. EUR AUD. I used to trade this all the time. 1 second buy stop to the 1 minute blue line, but hold on. Yeah, 1 second buy. It's going to hook and see, it's going to hook and come back up. There you go. This thing's firing, boy. Look at it. Look at it go. And it hit the 1 minute blue line. As called out live, bam, baby. It's still going to go up. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute buys until this pink line goes to the blue line on NAS. Can it go to a 3 minute? Let me see. Yeah. Play any buy stops you can until the 3 minute blue line is hit or gets extremely close on EUR AUD. Well, that was easy. That was fun. See how fast that was? No one could have played it, but nonetheless, I called it. That was cute. Okay, a 10-minute sell. It's going to be the same because they always do the same. Oh, where's it going to? Hold on. Okay, you can play any 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour sell, 7 hour sell. Will it touch this? Yeah, I do. Towards the 12-hour blue line of EUR AUD. Yeah, definitely. Now let me see these long-term time frames right here. Something is weird. Weekly buy, that's why. Weekly buy, 3 week. Not down enough. Love this weekly 3 week buy. Love it. Pink is crossing. You could do what I said on the other thing on your buys. Buy stop 1.63128. Buy stop EUR AUD 1.63736. Yeah, you're going to see. I would take any, I would definitely take any 30-minute buys. It's not here. It's going to be a minute for those 30-minute buys, though. But it's going to flip around. It's going to be a real nice trade here. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. Looks to me like it has to come down a little bit further first, though. I say that because the 3 weekly pink line isn't low enough, but that's not always the case. Sometimes it takes fucking forever for it to do that. Just kind of hang in there with that one. Yeah, that's what I like.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Been watching since junior year, made great money with the system, ready to turn it up. Nice, Micah. Good to hear. What type of computer do you operate with? Me? I've got more computers than I've given away. Multiple laptops, multiple towers. I still have. I just gave my one daughter, my youngest son, sorry, an Asus laptop. I have a computer that was custom made for me. That if you guys know Keith Palmer, he's our master coder. He's the coder fella for us. Keith is the great Keith Palmer. I always say he works for Disney. He says I have a computer that is bigger than their Disney computers that they use to control. So we have a computer here that I don't even use. It's being used as a doorstop right now. I don't even use it. That can run like, I guess there's 10 CPUs in it or something that can control this and that. I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty huge. But yeah, I'm currently running a ThinkPad to a 75-inch monitor. And I also have a regular old tower computer in there that's running two 55-inch monitors. And I have another computer hooked up to my projection screen. And that's it. But I don't know anything about computers, but Keith was laughing. He said the one computer I have is so fucking big, it literally can run Disney's. I laughed so hard. I was like, really? Like, yep. I was like, well, damn, go on. Guess I got my money's worth on that one. Up goes Naz. And Niners keep building games in the fourth quarter. Yeah, but they're good at least. 49ers are good. Here. Let's go back to Naz again. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably going to, Naz 5-second buy, top to the 5-second fill in the gap, blue line. You're going to see the pink line cross the purple. This green is going to fill in. You're going to see this go back up and touch its 5-second line. This is what you're going to see live right now. You're going to see this cross here. You're going to see this fill in the gap happen. You're going to see the price go up. And it should touch this time when this finishes it. And that is Naz. Let me go ahead and you want to play any, and we can wait here if you want. You want to play any sell stop you can find, but in the meantime, by all means, you can take these buys if you want. Feel free. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Take the 1-second buy stops to the 5-second blue line of SPX, also to NAS, and let me see US 30. This would be great. If we get a huge pull up right here, this would be nice. All right, let me close that one down anyways. US 30, where's she blowing to? I don't know where she's at. Hold on. Nope. Oh, yeah. Play any buy stop on NAS SPX US 30 towards the 5-second blue line of US 30. Keep playing them over and over again. Yep. Do it. Blue line's crossing, going to come down. Pink will cross the blue. That'd be your first entry. You're going to see this dip down until this turns red. You see that turn red right there? Now you're on a full-on 1-minute buy, 5-second buy stop. Now, if you don't want to play the 5 seconds, by all means, please keep looking for these sells. 1-minute sell, NAS. 1-minute sell, US 30. 1-minute sell, SPX. But again, you can play these 5-second, 1-second buys. Feel free. And again, we're trading ultimately to the 1-hour blue line of SPX, to the towards the 1-hour blue line of NAS. And I do believe it just ricocheted back off the 30-minute here on US 30. Let me see. Yeah. See, it went below it. Now you're going to see a little pull up. So now you can see the little pull up. The pink line is going to rise. It's going to hook and come back down. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Good Lord. Pink cross the blue, like I said. You'll see this finish. This will close. This red will turn to green. And again, 5-second trades are 5-second trades. Give me a break. 1-minute trades, yeah, they're much better. Slower, safer. 15-minute trades, they're good. 1 hour trades, real good. Daily, weekly, undefeatable, unmissable. Yep, told you. There's your green, there's your blue coming up. We should get a touchdown here. Unless they're the Browns or the Dallas Cowboys, then we won't get a touchdown. Same thing. See, there's your buys all coming to fruition. Look. There you go. Let's see. Yes. Oh, touchdown. Unlike Dallas and Cleveland, the safety trade system actually scores. Touchdown to the blue line. That touched. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I swear people are going to argue. That was gorgeous. Gorgeous touchdown. Gorgeous touchdown. Unlike Dallas Cowboys or the Cleveland Browns that suck. There, that takes away any and all. Touchdown again. Perfect call out. And that was thanks to one of our guys. US 30, beautiful. SPX does the same thing as NAS. SPX is going up to its 5-second blue line. It's going to do the same thing. You're going to see watch this. You're going to see this purple line fall like this. You're going to see this form a little gap, Lord willing, right here like this. Then you're going to see this click around, come up like this. It's going to come from here. It's going to go up there like that. That's what's going to happen on your SPX. No. It's doing the same exact thing on SPX as it just did right here on, see how the blue, boom, came back up, boom, pink crossed the blue, boom, buy stop. 5-second buy stop again to the blue line, NAS. I already did it twice. This is the third time. And if you don't want to play these buys, play the sells to the 1 hour blue line on NAS and SPX. If you don't want to play the buys on US 30, play the sells. If you want to play the buys or the sells, then go over to the daily, weekly and play the buys on NAS, US 30, and SPX. All depends on how you want to look at things. Because my aces can't keep up. Yeah, pretty much. What about SPX? Just called it a whole bunch of time. Yeah, the safety trade system would beat the Browns and Dallas at the same time. Avo Cuddles, you are now number 3. Marley Mar, you're number 2. Annie Apple, number 1 on TikTok. Congratulations. Ladies are still showing up strong out there. And we have grown. At one point in time, we were 1% of the safety traders on YouTube were female. We're now up to 10%. I still think that's awfully low, and we need to get that up to 50%. I'd like to have 80% of you, actually. I'd like to have 80% female in the system because the women are just so much more kinder and nicer, and they listen smarter. Look at the buy stop. There's your NAS buy stop SPX to the blue line. There it is. Pink cross the blue, green, close gap up to the blue. That's it. There it is. SPX will do the same thing. Watch. You're going to see SPX rise up, close the gap. Blue's going to come up after. This is going to turn to green. You're going to see price action go up. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. See it go up. There it goes up. You're in the money on the SPX call. Easy money. Easiest money you're going to make every day, as I say that. Look, touchdown again. Touchdown again. This is a broken box, by the way. Touchdown to the blue. Touch. Boom, 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 boom. And beyond. We are now into Toy Story land. Look, there goes SPX. It'll go up and touch its blue line, but not directly. It'll hook, come back down again, then do another one, come up. We have SPX being called out live, being drawn out live, being told out live. We have NAS being called out live, telling you where it's fucking going. Went right to the blue line. Go ahead, haters. Where's all the doubters now? Awfully quiet, aren't we? Buy stop on US 32, by the way. If you don't want to play these buys, you can play the sells on the 1 minute. If you don't want to play, look, this is about to curve. You're going to see this come down a little bit. You're going to see this fill, I hope, fill in the gap. Then you're going to see this pink come to the blue. Then you're going to see price go up above where this was right here on NAS. So, okay, doubters, this is 5 seconds. Anybody want to come play live on the 5-second charts? Anybody out there at all? Where's all the real traders out there? Where's all the live traders? Come on the show and trade with me on 5-second and 1-second charts. You can't use my system. Good luck with that. Buy stop 1 second, 5 second. Oh shit. Oh boy. Oh boy. We only have fucking. Hey, what happened to my 7-minute alarm? What the fuck? Da 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 da. 3 minute. Nope. Where is my 9? I didn't see my damn fucking alarm. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. Oof. What do we got now? SPX. Pink cross, buy to the blue line. NAS. Don't play market open. If you're going to play market open, stay out of market open. If you're going to play market open, lock in profits, or like I did. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. I'm not going to call the buy on US 30. Sell US 30. Sell US 30 1 minute. Sell US 30 1 minute. 42,991.2. Sell US 30 42,988.1. Sell US 30 42,975.6. Buy NAS. Buy NAS. Stay in your buys as long as you can hold them. Buy NAS. Stay in the 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 buy SPX. Buy stop to the blue line. 10-second NAS. Buy stop to the blue line. Don't play market open. If you're going to move in and out, demo trade only, and move quick. I'm not fucking around. This shit's going to happen quick. 5-second buy stop NAS SPX. Play only the sell on US 30. Play only the sell on US 30. All right, fine. Play only the sell on US 30 and SPX if you want. NAS buy. I want to see this thing go. I want to see NAS. Let's see if we can finish this out before it takes its dive. Yeah, to the 10-second. Abso-fucking-lutely. Market open, not yet. 1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second buy stop to the 10-second blue line on NAS. US 30, be patient and play the sell later on. SPX, you can do both. If you want to play the buy on it, play the buy. If you want to play the sell, play the sell. I don't really care about SPX. All right, so we're going to watch NAS closely. If you can get in that sell on US 30, if it dips hard on US 30, take it. I don't think we're going to see it, but if you can't, look, sell US 30, 43,042. Sell US 30, 43,038. Sell. I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only. NAS, fuck that, buy. I want to see where it can go. I want to see how high this can go. I think we can get to the 10-second mark on this one. This is a buy. Stay in your buys. You've already made a shit ton of money on NAS and SPX. Lock in profit. Market open. Market open. Market open. Buy. Buy buy NAS. Buy 20,444. You're already in the money anyways. Take the buy again. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on NAS on the buy. There it goes to the 10-second blue line. Congratulations. Take your money out. Take your money out. There's no reason to stay in that trade. That is a gorgeously perfect. Let me see. SPX probably did the same thing. Yep. SPX did the same thing. Did it go to this 5-second yet? Nope, not yet. Just gorgeous trades. Now, let me see US 30 real quick. Nope. US 30. Nope. Just wait for that sell on US 30. I'm not calling that. Fuck that. NAS, buy again. NAS, buy again. Buy again. Buy stop again. NAS. Come on, what the fuck running so fucking slow for? Let's go. Pink's going to come up. Price is going to go up. NAS is going to go up. Nice. Can we get the 10? There you go. Almost to the 10-second. Almost there. Play any 1 second, 5-second buy stop to the 10-second blue line of NAS. It's fighting its way to the 10-second blue line. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Play any 1 second, 5-second buy stop to the 10-second blue line of NAS. Go, little NAS. Come on, little NAS. I got to go soon. Come on, motherfucker. Give it to come to Papa. Come on. Play it off that orange line. Buy off the orange. Oh, it's too late. There you go. Touchdown. Come on, baby. Touchdown, NAS. Touchdown, NAS. To the blue line. Past the blue line. I bet you SPX is following. There you go, baby. Come on to dad. Where is it at? Papa wants to see the 5-second blue line. Papa, where's the blue line? Come on. Where the fuck? How slow is trading, you fucker? Come on. 10 second. There you go. 10 second. Come on. Come on. Then I can go and leave you all in money. Come on. To the 10-second blue line. SPX to the 10-second blue line. Touchdown, mofos. Where are the haters at now, you little douche monkeys? Woo! I'm out of here on TikTok. I want to speak the truth. I'm heading over to YouTube. God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great day. Don't Cast Stones, 2,200 NAS buy. Not, oh gosh, I'm going to have to unmute it. Congratulations, Don't Cast Stones. Touchdown. Where do I buy this at? Oh, fine, I won't leave. Ricochet, buy stop again off the orange line. Buy stop again. You're going to see SPX go back to its 10-second blue line again. You can buy it right here. Buy it right here at thesafetytrade.com. $575 a year. Or if you want optional add-ons, they are optional. They are add-ons. System works flawlessly without it. There you go. Boom, baby. Again. Look at you go. Don't Cast Stones. $2,200. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yay, Christopher Barron. You can buy it at safetrade.com as you watch this go up. What? Come on, baby. Finish it. Buy stop off the blue line again. Let me see, Nas. Oh, buy stop again. Love this one even better. You're going to see the pink. You're going to see the pink cross this purple. It's going to come up to the blue. You're going to see this fill in the gap. You're going to see buy stop off of here. Let this come down just a little bit further. You need this purple to come down. Oh, look at it. It's going to hook right back up. Ricochet back to the blue line, NAS. Ricochet back to the blue line, SPX. This is fun. I wish I could stay on longer. I can't. I got to go. Got to go. Got to go. Told you. Same thing. You're going to see this pink line hook up. You're going to see this fill in the gap come up. I would like this. This really needs to come down a little further, to be honest with you. So, yeah, there you go. Price action comes down. That'd be perfect for us. Perfect. Buy off the yellow. Buy stop off the yellow. And then you're going to see this pink come up. And then it's going to cross. This will fill in the gap right here, the space right here where it's green, space, yellow. Then you'll see price action go back up to the blue line right there. You'll see the exact same thing happen on NAS right here. There you go. And now you're going to see this. We just have to cross first. Buy stop, NAS. 20,453.2. Buy stop NAS. It is a clear on 1 minute buy stop. You're going to have the blue come down a little further. The pink will glue. Then it will rise and go up in there. You got to let this come down now because of that. Let me see SPX. Nope. SPX hold. Same exact thing. Buy stop right here. Just wait. I'm going to wait around if I can until these both go back up and ricochet. If not, I might just have to go. I don't have time. I'm supposed to go one after. Oh, fuck. All right. So that's where you buy it at. Now I'm going to go. All right. Bye, TikTokers. Have a great life. And life. Yay, I made it. YouTube. YouTube. I can talk freely on YouTube, motherfuckers. All right. Thanks for everything. Thanks, Coach. God bless. Thanks as always. Buy the system. It's outstanding, making more pips than a pro on 5-second trades. I know, right? That's fucking funny. Boom system, right? All right. So here. Let's just watch these last few. I want to see if we can't pull this off. Let me see. US 30. Nope. Be patient with US 30. That's all I can tell you. You can be hyper right here. At NAS, buy stop, ricochet, back to the blue line. Let's just see if we can pull it. Oh, I don't have time. All right. I told you where the buys are. All right. I got to go. All right. God bless you all. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you all later. I might be on later. We'll see. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. That was fun. What a fun morning. That was fucking fun as fun. All right. See y'all.